Like I was saying, I'm over here with the Bodega Boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm over here in New York. I ain't even seen this many tall buildings where I live, dog, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm from Long Beach, dog. Hey, the opinions expressed by these two mark-ass busters may not be the opinions of Bicom. I say that with a B. You know what I'm saying? Bomb, you know what I'm saying? A Red Bull, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you see me rolling down the street in a wheelchair, dog, just salute me, dog. I got a pool in the back. Yo, shout out to Ray J. We here, nigga. LA, nigga, what's up? Hey, y'all niggas need to get some real tacos, dog. All them fake-ass tacos you had on your Instagram, dog, them shits is fraudulent, dog. You need a taco truck from under a Mexican armpit in a truck, dog, in Encinitas, dog.
Episode 15. Bodega Boys in the building.
You know
it's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Chris Stapps per Sling Dick, a.k.a. Mr. 1994 and Nueva. Yo,
it's the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. the reason your girl's leaving the crib with Kleenex in her butt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Whoa, hey.
Yeah. As always, shouts to the sponsor, Do the Drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Hey.
We're here coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street at Red Bull Studios, New York.
That's right. They're doing a new exhibit, and the shit is looking sexy.
It's like a volcano or something.
Yeah, I don't know why I said
it looks like a teenager's face. Just pockmarks. Painful. Yeah. Rejected dates.
Yo, if you lie to your girl and you say that you work construction, you could come down to Red Bull Studios because there's mad dudes with power saws.
Yeah.
You could just call and be like, yo, I'm at work.
I have all the noise in the background.
You know what I'm saying?
Happy Valentine's Day, scumbag.
You know what I'm saying? I got a job, mom, for Valentine's Day.
Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so proud. She's going to start crying. Put up the mad blurry meme of Jesus crying like, thank you, Santeria, for answering my prayers.
Oh, God is good all the time.
Aunt TT gonna stop carrying that little vial of mercury in her purse. Like, yo, it finally came true. Yeah, that's right, scumbag.
Then find out.
Get a job for yo. What point is your relationship at that? That's your Valentine's Day gift. You got a job. Damn.
Wow.
Lowered expectations
To the fullest. Wow.
Damn.
That's so crazy.
While you bullshitting, there's just some women out there that all they want is their man to stay home for Valentine's Day.
That's it.
Please don't go out.
That's it. I'm thinking like, yo, where are we gonna go to dinner?
Nah.
There's some shorty's like, yeah, I hope he doesn't.
I hope he just stays home.
Yeah. I
hope he uses a condom. Don't put me at risk.
Yeah,
oh, man. Throwback jokes. That's what we got.
You know what I'm saying? Look, call back. Shout out to Don't Put Me at Risk.
Yeah,
you
we
know
got jokes on deck. Someone described this art as nothing but throwback jokes and non sequiturs.
Non sequiturs. You know what I'm saying?
It's pretty true.
If you can spell that, hit us up. 1-800-223-9797.
As always, shouts to the sponsors, the three sponsors, Red Bull. K2.
That's right.
And Mero's wife, Church, same thing.
It is.
A lot of Spanish people coming out of it. You know,
my wife's church is a church.
Is it church?
It's a holy area.
Wonderland.
It's holy.
We dropped art on Monday, and we're recording this Friday. You won't get it till Monday because you gotta wait. But a very influential young man is dropping an album today.
Oh shit, who's that?
Kanye.
Oh shit.
Kanye to the Wheezy.
Speaking of Kanye,
the Louis Vuitton Don.
Your man came out the whip with the yay on the nasal. Everybody's like, yo, you sniff my coke, nigga, that's makeup.
What happened? He had a photo came out with Kanye
him with mad white stuff on his nose.
I mean, his actions this week, I could see him sleep, playing around the white girl. Mm-hmm. Throwing some snowballs, making snow angels.
I believe that Kanye does wild coke, but I don't think that he was doing coke in that moment. I think he was just like trying
That's just him?
Yeah, he was just tonguing down. Came in the limo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Got mad makeup on his face.
Yeah, probably.
You know
what about the Bill Clinton? Bill Cosby innocent tweet.
Bill Clinton's innocent.
No, it's too early in the morning. Like, I'm fucking up over here, man. Can we start over? Can we reset? No, he did that. Kanye just tweeted out Bill Cosby innocent. And you know what?
Wow.
People are dragging, great term, dragging people on Twitter saying, if you support Kanye, you are a terrible person. I've seen a lot of people saying, if you are a cis-het fellow, cis-het, you know what I'm saying? Shout out. Every time I hear cis-het, I think of cis-het Michelle.
Yo! Every day, is that song? Whatever the fuck. Yo, Funkmaster Flex used to run that back.
Yes. You're thinking about Yvette Michelle. You're not thinking about Cassette Michelle.
Oh, yeah.
That's the one
Cassette was the one that sang like it was 1920s?
Yeah,
like,
exactly. Depression era R&B. But yeah, they're saying, if you support Kanye, you're a terrible person. Yeah, and you know what I have to say to that? Bloop. Yo, what do you want?
I mean, niggas making music.
Dog,
Like,
it's everyone. Your favorite is problematic. If your favorite's not problematic,
come on.
and your favorite's not your favorite, man.
Not.
Yo, I didn't say
overlooked their
anything.
flaws.
I didn't say anything where Beyonce came out with a video where she shot a cop while he was holding a puppy.
That's right.
Is that what happened?
I
I just get my fact from the internet. That's what
I
I saw.
That's what they said.
A
right?
racist Twitter account said.
It said I saw the meme too.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah. Yo, listen, man. It's not. Listen, Beyonce. Shout out to Beyonce.
Beyonce out here got the mad, got people angry. She did that black fist in the air, like,
why?
yo.
Why are people mad at Beyonce? She's so
Yo,
nice.
it's
She
just
drinks.
like,
She's
Beyonce's
just like
so
mad,
non-threatening.
smiling, drinking Pepsi.
You know?
You know what I'm saying? Like she's mad nice.
They really think Beyonce is just gonna, like, her next track, she's gonna start the race war.
Come
And I
on.
mean, listen, we all fantasize about it. I
on.
have the schematics drawn up in a composition notebook under
True.
my bed.
You know what
how
I'm
we're
saying?
gonna annex the Palisades. But no, if you really think about it, the race war, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. When you think
can't,
of, think about it, like,
Yeah.
I don't hate white people like that. Like,
Not
yo,
in New York. Everybody's
you
fucking
know?
everybody.
Yeah,
it wouldn't work in
man.
New York.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
Maybe
your
other
room.
places.
What happens if you're black and your roommate is white?
You know
Now
what I
what
mean?
happens? You gotta get the landlord involved.
You
You're
know
gonna
what I'm
shoot
saying?
each other in a common area.
You feel me? What
That
if you're
doesn't
Puerto
work.
Rican and your shorty's Japanese? What are you gonna do?
You know?
I don't even know what to
Everyone's
do.
mixed.
Well, can I get a letter?
There's no one's like, yo, Haitians, you get Montana.
Nah.
Japanese people, you get Texas.
No.
No one's thought this through.
Look at that.
Then people in Montana is like, yo, white pride, white
Yeah,
genocide.
yeah,
We're
yeah.
taking America back.
Rah.
It's like, dog, where are we gonna go?
What? Yeah.
And you know, Jamaican. I know Jamaicans. We're not fighting with blacks. We're gonna set up our own little colony over here, and we're not gonna have any from Barbados and shit.
No.
It's gonna be like mad little countries. No,
You'd be like, yo, from Bermuda, you get the fuck out of here.
get out of here. Get out of here. Go over there with the rest of everyone from Trinidad and or Tobago. No, like you can't. You can't have this. This is not gonna work. Who
Dominicans
gets
and
Rhode
Puerto Ricans
Island?
will rekindle their beef.
And then it's just like,
You know what I'm saying?
are we dividing up America divided by population? Who's getting Rhode Island? What about people from Chad? Where are they going?
Where are they
no one
going?
thought about them.
Where's Chad?
What about
What's gonna
all
happen
the
to Chad?
Chad. Yo, fuck
niggas
that
didn't
one
think about
listener from
Chad.
Chad again.
Yeah.
I still don't fuck with you.
Shout out to Chad.
Shout out to Chad.
Yo. Y'all got,
Yeah,
y'all got a
so
lot of
that's why we're
medicine.
not gonna have the race war. So now it's like there's racial tension blue balls in America because everyone thinks it's beating up the race war. No, it's gonna lead up to like a very passive aggressive dispute where you're getting like a bagel in the morning.
That's
you
it.
know?
That's it.
Like
Or it's
someone
gonna lead up
saying
fucking-
you people,
Oh, yeah.
and
yeah.
you know it just goes badly from there.
That's it. Or
And
Donald
it could
Trump
be an
being president.
innocent you people. Shout out to white people who are not racist.
Yeah.
But every now and then do something that they didn't mean for it to be racist, but it comes off wild racist. Because I was on the Metro North the other day, and for some reason people were no longer moving down the ramp to get on the train.
Right.
And a large white man behind me says, "Would you move? Why are you people just standing there?"
Oh.
Here's the problem.
Oh.
My train is largely urban.
Right.
It's a lot of blacks.
Yeah.
He was like the only white person in the line.
Yeah.
So it came off a little. It came off a little.
sus.
Crack that whips up.
Yeah.
Bust that Cifero. So, you know, but
Did he kind of like hit you with the face like, yo, chill, that's not what I meant?
he was like, no, he did the hand thing. He was like, the line's not moving. We're going to miss our train. And I was like, all right, Mayor Bloomberg. I got you. You're good. You're good money. You're with me.
Yeah.
So-
I mean, some stuff is racist. I don't know.
Some
B.
stuff is racist. Some stuff isn't racist. Some
Sometimes,
stuff,
you know
some
what
stuff we do is racist to white people, and white people can't say anything about it.
Yo, the other day my
You
wife
know?
was like, remember the shit I said about when I went apple picking and the
Mm-hmm.
lady was like, yo, she want to give me back the card? Like the other day, I'm like, we go to get in the car and my wife was like, yo, let me drive. You know what I'm saying? And I
Right.
was like,
Did you put on your glasses so you seemed more trustworthy?
yo, no hat, glasses. Told I see niggas in the mentions like,
Mm. I saw
word,
people-
word.
It's not true. That's not a real thing.
I'm telling you, come
the cops
on.
will still arrest you with glasses.
Fam, niggas used to do dirt in cars. Niggas used to drive around doing dirty things.
Martin Luther King
So I
got
know.
arrested in glasses. All right? Let's act like that did
He
not
was
happen.
making a hat though. He was making a hat. He
Was
was
he?
like, "Yo, I'm out here. What's up?"
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
Like,
what? Civil rights
was-
leaders
he
don't
wasn't
get
trying to be
enough.
low-key.
They don't get enough credit because they used to get locked up in suits.
Yeah.
And if
That's
you
just
know
mad
about, if you want to
uncomfortable.
get locked up, you want to get locked up. Fresh drawers and
Yep.
sweats.
Sweats.
All right.
Yep, all day.
That's
Sweats and some
this
Air
is-
Max.
This is a key right here.
You can use your Air Max as a pillow.
If you're gonna get locked up, you want to be comfortable. If you're gonna be sleeping
know what I mean?
underneath the bed, taking a bookings nap,
For real.
comfortable, dog.
You know what I mean? You need some kicks. Those any pair of Nikes that has like the little elastic all
bubbles.
across the
Yeah,
tongue
man.
and the bubbles. So when niggas take your laces, you still got the tongue is good money and your
Pause.
shit is a little soft.
The
Wow,
tongue is
pause.
good money.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, that's what they be saying when I do bottle waitress extras. And call me. And call me.
We just did like 50 throwback jokes in like
Yeah.
the first 10 minutes.
Shout out to the listeners.
The listeners out here.
You know what's dope though? What we keep doing this, it's on purpose. So all you niggas that just started listening to this shit for the first time
Have to go back.
You gotta go back.
Get the references. See? And speaking of
Cooking
going,
the books.
speaking of going back, John Lewis
Shout out to John Lewis.
John Lewis said he does not remember Bernie Sanders shooting in the gym with him and Martin.
What?
He says, I do not recall you when we was getting rocks thrown at us on the bridge, and the old white man almost bust my head to the white meat, but now you want to come through like I was there, dog.
I was there. Nigga did the Brian Williams. But there's pictures of him. It's funny because there's pictures of him, and it looks like cops are just saying, excuse me, white man, get out of the way, white man.
Way.
God, we gotta go.
We gotta go bust open these black people's heads.
We gotta hose these niggers down. Like, excuse me.
Oh, man.
And then he was just like, oi, and then we're like, oh, he's a Jew, get him.
That is hilarious. Bernie Sanders put out his photo with like him and Martin Luther King, and John Lewis was like, "What are those?
What are those?
It's not
real." He's like, "Yo, it's not a gift for y'all dapping up, so it's not
real.
official." You know what I'm saying?
Nah, shout out to Bernie Sanders. He just won the New Hampshire primaries.
Hey, he took it from Hillary.
And who
her,
thought that was gonna happen?
Her Benghazi servers.
Yeah, how about that? See, Hillary, if you stopped being cute and just used Hotmail like the rest of us,
you know what I'm saying?
back in the early 2000s, this wouldn't be happening.
You'd be all right.
Damn. Donald Trump won. So
I expected that.
It's gonna happen.
Because Ted Cruz, Marco Rubio has been proven that he's a robot. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? And
Yes.
the man just straight short circuit in the middle of a speech. But fucking Donald Trump, he's a maniac, man. He's hyping niggas. Man, America's full of maniacs.
Yeah.
Niggas forget that. Like, everybody's like, we're from New York, so we're like, New York, and then we go to LA, so we're like, New York and LA. That's
They're
America.
cool.
No, fam.
No.
There's a whole middle of this shit that's just maniacs.
Well, you gotta remember, America was founded by basically people like, nah, fuck this. I'm gonna start my own.
I'm gonna just take this shit.
I'm excited. You know
that
what?
nigga's good.
Fuck that. Fuck that. I don't like that. Pilgrims was like, fuck that. Y'all stay over there with your little Twitter hoes. I'm over here.
I'm good.
New country, new me. It was out. So that's America. America doesn't like being told what to do. And now you got Trump, the madman.
Yeah.
And Trump is out there.
I'm not gonna tell you what to do.
I'm
gonna let you rock. I'm gonna let you cook.
Trump vicariously called Ted Cruz a pussy.
He did.
And the crowd loved it.
Yeah.
There's nothing Trump could do right now to lose voters. There's
fam.
nothing.
He could eat a puppy on stage.
He could do
anything.
That.
He could roll a baby down the stairs. Anything.
He could lynch somebody.
Yeah.
At his go up in the
Absolutely.
poll. Like, and then everyone would be like, well, why was that person he lynched at his rally in the first place?
You know what's crazy? I just saw this. If he spit in Obama's face, his numbers would probably go up.
Yeah.
I was like, he could spit in Obama's face. I was like, actually, you know what? That'd probably be a good look for him and his constituency. You know what I'm saying? Because he's a fucking scumbag. You know
but he's getting to the point. I mean, if it's Bernie Sanders versus Donald Trump, I gotta vote for Trump.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't vote for Sanders.
Wait, what?
Nah, I gotta vote for Trump.
Yeah.
I gotta vote for Trump. I feel like Trump.
Because you gotta be rich. Niggas is gonna be rich in the future. You gotta ride with Trump, I think.
When you get to a certain price point, it's not about voting your You listen, you think Jay-Z and Beyonce, they're doing Black Lives Matter and stuff, but really.
Niggas register Republicans and shit with
right.
a little Rockland County address.
They got their little tax shelters, all right? You don't see Beyonce or Blue Ivy at H&R Block talking about, could I get like the single mother initiative? No. They're definitely, they got Harvey Weinstein, their accountant, and he's fannooting shit to the Cayman Islands. All right? They're trying to get the lowest tax rate possible.
Shout out to Harvey Weinstein, put us in a movie.
That's a real person, right?
Yep.
That was just a racist name I came up with. I just took a regular first name and Stein.
Yeah.
Listen, this is how they made Nazi propaganda.
No.
They had someone like me just doing this shit. I'm not proud of this.
Mad lazy,
just mad lazy.
It's nigga Bergstein, whatever.
No. You know I'm big with the Jews. You know, I love the Jews. Anytime you have to be like, I love the Jews, at some point in the previous 24 hours, you said some wild shit.
fucked up shit.
I want to be in Hollywood, man.
You know what I'm saying?
I want to be in Hollywood.
I'm finessing.
Listen,
I have the wild Passover Seder. It's gonna be lit.
Is it gonna be lit?
It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna start doing it and have it be star-studded.
You know what? I'm gonna open a fusion Jewish Jamaican restaurant.
A Jamaican restaurant?
It's gonna be like Miss Lily. But it's
Get
gonna be like
fish patties?
Miss Lily Stein. Shit's gonna be lit. We're gonna have like fucking curry coat matzo balls. Listen, don't.
Yeah.
Listen, the Seder gonna be like, but they what's that horn? The shifra or whatever?
Blow the horn and shit.
So that, it's the same thing, air horn.
Blow your whistle.
Live on Selector Rabbi Bonskowitz. Wheel up. But the problem with that, there's like tension there because on the Sabbath, Jewish people do not work.
Yep.
And on every day, 365 days a year,
Jamaicans
overwork. So we have to find some sort of middle ground there, and then we'll work it out. It
works perfectly.
But it does work because Jewish mothers like to complain.
Yeah.
And Jamaican mothers.
Yeah, that's true.
Listen.
But like a super group of complainers.
If you're not a doctor, you might as well be a junkie.
Wow.
Speaking of junkies.
Shout
out to DMX.
Hey!
Shout out to DMX. DMX almost died and came back. DMX almost died, came back to life, and is doing a concert tonight.
Hey, yo, you know what I love? Dogs. And you know what dogs love? Dog food, nigga. What? Niggas OD on the dog food.
That was a pretty. Listen, DMX can't die.
DMX can't die. He's immortal.
He's immortal. He's that crackhead immortal.
That shit, we just talked about it, so that means it just came out. The fucking
The
Nasonex for the
Narcan.
fucking dope fiends.
Shout out for that.
You know what I'm saying?
Who would think? I feel like DMX has leveled up to that point in the dope game that antidotes aren't needed.
He was the first nigga with that shit. He
Yeah.
had that shit when it was like prototypes only.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like Nike calls you up, he's like, yo, son, we're about to drop this Griffey hybrid shit. I'm gonna send you one pair. It's only one pair.
Oh man,
you got that, but for the nasal.
Yeah,
the
he
nasal
was doing. DMX was doing crack when they were still trying to figure out like the packaging. And shit. Like, he was like vial, baggy,
red tops, blue tops.
This is a fucking test group. Just the South Bronx.
They got the beta version.
He's like, yo, I'm smoking this crack 1.0A. He's doing upgrades. About to smoke the crack, and it's like, hey. Upgrade is available. Do you want it now, or should I bother you again in 24 hours?
Do you want to download the patch?
Oh, man.
Yo, DMX is downloading patches.
Shout out to crackheads. Yo, there's crackheads right now still listening to the same Walkman since 1985. They've had every disease.
Everyone. Shout out to every crackhead in every Bronx shopping plaza right now. Just mobbing, trying to come up.
I feel sick, Poppy.
Yo,
out there.
I'm gonna go on a Pathmark and I'm gonna steal these pork chops. Give me $5, Poppy.
Because you know what it is? Because when you need Jones in. Because crackhead is different than someone on like synthetic weed. That's two different things.
K2, you wild out and then you're just done wilding out.
Yeah.
You gotta just be in a safe space for K2.
Like a crackhead, they might steal something, but they're gonna give you words of wisdom.
Oh yeah.
It's not always lucid. It's not always good words of wisdom. You know?
They might be leaning when they tell you.
Yeah.
Poppy, let me tell you something. Yeah. Sometimes in life, Poppy, you gotta go to sleep.
Yeah. Or they'll be like, yeah.
And you're like, what? But it's mad deep, like, yo, word.
Yeah. Men's mouths have more muscles than women's mouths. Also, only a man knows what a man wants. You're like, whoa,
where we going with this? Julio.
Whoa, I'm not giving you another ride to the Port Authority. I don't want to know you're getting your money for your rocks from Poppy.
Chill, Terrell. Shout out to the fucking Dofi I seen taking a shit in the urinal at 177. I will always name drop that guy, and I hope to find him in the future.
But you see, that's
I want
the
to
kind
find
of
him
thing.
like the bum with the golden voice. I want to find him and like put him on. You know
well, I mean, a urinal is definitely like a thing you respect if you have a house.
Yeah.
If you don't have a house, you know, like a urinal is just a more narrow toilet.
That's true.
You know, so you
can you? Yeah, would you have a urinal in your crib? Is that a
That's
flex?
a flex.
That's a flex.
That's a flex. I knew a guy. My father's friend. He had an illegal bar in his garage.
Oh,
and he had a urinal.
That's a.
I was thinking,
I was like, is that a flex? I was like, that's a flex, dog.
But the problem was when they got raided by the cops. The cops was like, hey,
yo,
my guy.
Buddy, you got a fucking urinal. You're telling me this is not a place
for
ill repute?
Baby showers?
Huh? What is this?
Baby showers?
Huh?
You got 1950 megaton speakers over there. What is it? Sound Clash meets Sour Posse? No, my guy. Nah, this is a club.
Yeah, this is clearly.
Guess what? Shut this bashment down, all right?
Get out of here. Stop banging on the damn furnace.
This ain't Mingles.
Niggas said this ain't Mingles.
Shout out to Mingles. Shout out to Mingles.
Shout out to Mingles. And shout out to that giant poster, if you come off the Cross Bronx to Parkchester, that is still there. It's from like a Christmas party, and this shit is still there rocking. Yeah. I feel like taking that shit to my crib.
Yo, Mingles is a spot, man. It's a very hardcore Jamaican spot. It's located right around the corner from the projects in a strip mall in the Bronx.
You're gonna get 30 white people killed.
Oh, don't go there. It's like you can take it's very authentic. It's very authentic. I think they still post party pictures the 7 days, 7 nights.
Come on.
At allparties.com. So you know this shit's official.
Niggas said all parties.
They have a white party at least 7 times a week.
Oh, you already know.
You know?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to people who love white parties but are still dirty looking at photos.
You know what I mean?
That's definitely what goes on in Mingles. It goes down in the Mingles.
You need the black light
to
front and shit.
Every girl's a big girl there. I don't know how that's possible. Even the skinny girls.
Even the size 6 model chicks. Shout the sex boogie.
The songs don't get the fully played songs.
No.
The first verse and it's just, we love bring it back. Rewind. You're like, why, sir, why are you yelling?
Sir, the only song that gets to play is that fucking 25-minute fucking thing. They'll break from straight dancehall and throw that on for 20 minutes.
Oh, man.
Shout out to everybody. Yo, is that the shit when niggas they light a fire on the floor and then Shorty just like does the wild split into the fire?
No, that happens. Those are straight from Jamaica tapes. That does happen.
And then niggas go up the construction ladder. And
Listen, she gets a little wild. She gets a little wild in the hills. Some of these clubs, you can bring a ladder to the club. You can bring props. Galvanized steel.
Yo, you know
what's crazy? Roof.
A zinc roof.
You know, whatever it needs, so you can murder the competition.
Yo, I remember being a kid and watching Reading Rainbow and being like, "Yo, Reading Rainbow's racist," because they went to Jamaica and they were talking to people in Jamaica, and one dude was like, "Yo, up in the hills we eat iguanas. They taste just like chicken," and I was like, "Yo, this is bad racist. Why is it so?" Racist? I was like 8. I was like, what?
You had Reading Rainbow in DR?
No, it was here.
Oh,
I was here.
Okay, I was about to ask.
It was people, dog, I didn't have cable.
I was about to ask.
I had
what's going on.
PBS. I had
if
PBS.
that's the case, if they got Reading Rainbow in DR, what's wrong with y'all people?
No,
why y'all come here and
Unfortunately,
make things so difficult and so loud?
Shout out to Dominicans for moving into a Jewish hood, kicking all the Jews out, and making every sign in Spanish. You know what I'm saying?
What hood is that?
Watch the Heights.
Oh, yeah.
If you go back there, you can still see
Damn,
this
you
is
took
like
it back.
Ari Levinstein
Yeah.
from like 1920, and it's like, yo, Levinstein, you gotta bounce.
So shout out to immigrants and gentrification and everything.
All that. New York, hi.
It's New York. Speaking of New York, we have terrible transitions. Derek
No,
Fisher.
but they're mad good. It's like it's like a fake top 10 play when the nigga bobbles the ball and then ends up dunking it, and it's like top 10 play.
It's like a high school student's essay, and they reach the word count, and then they just wrap it up, and they be like, so in closing, this is why the Giants play in New York. New York is the greatest city ever, and they have an apple. Thank you.
Yo, thank you. They have an apple.
Sincerely yours, John Stewart.
They just draw an apple at the bottom with a pencil.
Derek Fisher.
Derek Stewart. Who's
Derek Stewart?
Derek Stewart is definitely somebody.
Yeah, he is. I don't know. Derek
Shout
Fisher is no longer employed by the New York Knickerbockers.
It's about time.
They got rid of him. He lost the team. Now, the rumor is that he is doing scumbag shit. Allegedly. I have no proof of this. I'm going by tweets, and that's good enough.
Tweets is good
in the
enough.
court of law.
Tweets good enough.
Tweets will break up your marriage.
Listen.
So if tweets will break up your marriage, I can take it as facts.
That's true.
Apparently, he's been following other players' girlfriends on social media, and people were complaining about this.
Damn. But you know what it is? I see, like, you gotta hear, to quote illustrious Desus Nice, you gotta hear both sides.
Gotta hear both sides.
You know what I'm saying? These dudes, who are these dudes dating? Come on, bro.
Yeah, you can't just.
It's not their high school sweetheart.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's not like
It's
Shorty.
not some random girl from the train.
No,
it's
it's
not
Shorty with
Sally, the
500,000.
administrative. You know
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
it's the girl with butt shots, and she spends her whole day taking one
So,
photo set selling teeth whitener.
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Little
The Wild 'N
detox,
Out girls.
Little
You know what I
laxative
mean?
teas. Exactly. So, you know what I'm saying? So, hey.
So you got to share it with a rapper. You can't get in your feelings if the girl you're in love with now was with Lil Wayne last month and
You know
was
what I'm
with Meek Mill before he
Hey.
was with Nicki.
Hey.
You know? This is what happens.
Hey.
You know?
That's life.
You share them. Share them girls. But no, like it's not like it's exploitive because they're in on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a mutual.
Oh, it's a symbiosis.
It's
my
a
guy.
hey!
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Hey!
You know what
Yes.
I'm saying? SAT
So
words
you
on
know you
deck.
can't listen. You
It
can't-
is. It's really a symbiotic relationship.
People
Yo,
understand.
you
Listen, they just want to be on the same winning team. Yeah,
That's it.
girl.
That's
That's it.
really it.
That's it. People gotta understand, but people get that in their feelings.
Look at All-Star Weekend.
Listen,
Shorty
All
just
Star
wanna go,
Weekend.
pop a couple bottles. You know
what I'm saying? Take a couple of photos with
That's it.
celebrities.
That's it.
You know, come on with a couple of stories and use rappers' real names casually.
That's it.
You know what I'm
All
saying?
that she wants is another selfie.
That's it.
She's gone tomorrow, boy.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, let your baby. If your baby mama want to go to Toronto and thought it out,
Let her live.
let her live.
Let her live.
Matter of fact, you're hearing this after the fact, and some of y'all gonna be like, "Oh, is that what was going on in Toronto this week?" Yes, your baby mama was out there. Your baby mama was out there letting Tremaine, excuse me, Trey Songs is what you know him as, pour champagne in her mouth
Oh.
while she had no shoes on,
Trigger,
and she was
trigger.
giggling too much on the way
Oh,
back to
man.
her hotel.
See?
And you was like, "Yo, what are you doing?" And she's like, "I can't talk right now." And you're like, "FaceTime me right now so I see who's in your room." And she's like, "I don't have Wi-Fi."
Yo, see? This is why I'm glad fucking my wife listens to Billy Joel and shit.
Yeah, so you don't have these problems.
Billy Joel's not gonna fuck my bitch, dog. You know what I'm saying? Billy Joel can't fuck my bitch. Like he probably doesn't have the ability to.
He probably could. I feel like if Billy Joel really wanted to fuck your wife, your wife would be like, "Mero, I'll be back.
No, that would be disgusting.
Sing me a song, piano man."
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Sloppy seconds after. Dog, you'd be like a hero in the white community.
Oh, that's
People be
so
like,
gross.
"Bruh,
Don't even put those
bruh.
thoughts in the air.
bruh, I heard your Eskimo bros with Billy Joel."
Oh, that's so gross.
He just cream pies her.
I have to fuck his that's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
I have to smash his daughter and put her on X hamster.
Is his daughter recording here too? Is that? No.
Is it?
Billy Joel's daughter? No,
Does she?
I don't know.
Yo.
Whatever.
Hey,
What's his
hey,
daughter's name? Kristen?
I have no
Kristen Joel? I don't know.
idea. Beats me.
I don't really be in. I'm not up on my culture.
Let's call 95.5 PLJ and ask them.
How did we get on the topic of Billy Joel fucking your wife? Oh, because Derek Fisher.
Because Derek Fisher's out here fucking
At
other dudes'
Toronto,
girls,
yeah.
and Trey Songz could fuck your girl, but Billy Joel can't fuck your girl.
Billy Joel could fuck your girl if you want.
I don't think so, man. You
Jeff
don't got it no more.
Goldblum might come back.
You know what it is?
Wife.
And you know what's crazy? The driver that was driving me home from one of our sets that we were at, you know what I'm saying, MTV set, he was like, yo, dog, I'm 40 and my libido has declined dramatically. He's like, I don't want to smash like I used to want to smash.
I
You know what I'm
mean,
saying? When you're an old man, you don't really want to smash like that no more.
I want to disagree with that.
You know what I'm saying?
I wanna disagree
Some
with
dudes
that.
do.
Some dudes do, but it's like it's a cultural thing and all that stuff. Again, West Indian men, the older you get, you just
More you
want to
wanna
keep fucking.
Smash?
And also, Viagra changed the game.
That's true.
Viagra changed the game.
But you know what? I'm
now
not
you could
gonna-
be 63 and slanging that wild
you know what?
Congo dick to young chicks.
But then you know what you're doing? You're putting yourself at risk. Nigga.
Well,
you know what I'm
listen.
saying? You want to go out like that, nigga, with your dick, with the noodle dick?
you want to go out in
your
your sleep peacefully, or you want to go out
Hell yeah,
in
dog.
nasty,
I would- listen, I
on a
wanna go out.
nasty
I
hot
wanna-
sheet motel by Gun Hill Road, having sex with a prostitute who's underage that you found at Craigslist, and you don't want to go back to dealing with your mompy wife?
Damn, dog.
Listen, that's how I'm going out.
That sounds like
That's very real.
this nigga sounds like he just sold his life rights. to
Listen,
fucking-
when they find me face down in a bedbug infested Bronx hotel, and I got the wild gold and opal finger pinky ring
no.
and the
With
marina
the coke
shirt,
nail?
yeah,
Coke nail on
yeah,
deck.
and I got
Oh,
the gold chain with the Mercedes-Benz emblem, even though I'm driving Mercedes.
Oh,
you
no.
know, Desus made it,
You did it, and then you ended it all.
ended it all.
It all came crashing
I
down.
just die at Moody's Records.
Yo,
This is a very Bronx Jamaican
you
episode.
know what I'm saying? We are here.
Shout out to Usain Bolt
Shout out to you, Samuel. And Pumas.
and
I
yeah,
guess.
and Travel
Shout-
Fox.
Travel Fox. Yo, shout out to Kanye being like, yo, Puma, take your money back. Kylie's team, easy.
What's going on with him? Why is I feel he's under a lot of pressure about this album?
He
Like,
is.
does he not believe in it?
He is. He doesn't understand. When you got it, it's like us, nigga. Like, we could not do a podcast for like 2 months and then just come here and do it and it's just gonna be fire. Like, fam,
Yeah,
just
true.
go and do what you do. Like, you're great. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Don't worry, nigga. Just
Yo,
do
shout,
what you want.
shouts to Mero with the
You know what
fuck
I'm
being
saying?
humble.
You know what I mean?
I
Fuck
appreciate
that.
that.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
appreciate that. But
Niggas,
no, it's true.
niggas been humble too long.
Listen,
for
it's
that,
like
you know what
Steph
I'm saying?
Curry. Steph Curry ain't out there
Come on, man.
rethinking shots.
No
You know what I'm
way.
saying? He's throwing it up.
No way.
He's going in. Shit's wet.
First time niggas give me a 5-figure check to show up somewhere high and make jokes, nigga, it was over for being humble.
Yeah.
Over for that.
Yeah. It's
You know
true.
what I'm saying?
It's true.
Come on.
Listen.
After taxes, nigga, little 5 figures, nigga, just to go somewhere and be like, yakety schmackety, nigga, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Blase blah.
Oh, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, well.
Fuck that.
Yeah, and the brand is strong.
You know what I'm saying? Out here.
Listen, yo, shout out to iTunes. They did a Black History Month
Whoa.
roundup of influential podcasts.
Okay.
Shout out to The Read.
You know what I'm saying?
Another Round is out there.
You know what I mean?
Do Combat Jack, Black
Hey.
Girls Talking,
No doubt.
GGN, Girl
Yeah.
on Guy.
GG and the Snoop shit?
Yeah, the Snoop shit. Black Radar, Black Guy Who Tips podcast.
Wow.
We're not on it.
Oh, okay.
We're not on it.
Okay. Hey.
But you know, first of all, we're not a podcast.
Yeah, that's what
This is
I'm
art.
saying. Yeah.
It's art, man.
I don't even get
This
mad
is
at that
bot
shit.
I don't get
Yeah,
mad at this shit.
When niggas do the roundup of modern art, then let me know.
Also, maybe iTunes, remember, iTunes, we did come to you guys like, yo,
Oh, that's true, yeah.
that's true. I mean, we get it.
Hey,
We get it, Sometimes you pass on a dude and you see him shine and you're like, fuck,
fuck you.
what
You know
I
I'm
do?
saying? I'm gonna make my Yeezy boost. Fuck you,
That's it,
Nike.
I don't need that. Oh, man. I can't believe you're saying this. You got Kanye saying that. I actually have tickets for the Kanye event tonight.
You do?
So I'm going to be going to that.
Shout out to you for
Shout out
that.
to me, man. I'm just saying. Listen, I got into a little flack. This chick was like, yo, how can you still support Kanye? After his comments.
Listen, you gotta separate the music.
And they were like, yo, he dragged Amber Rose and all that. And, he said something about your girl looks like Precious.
Come on, man.
I'm just like, it's true.
Separate the man
But
from the music. Come
here's
on.
the thing. Here's my rebuttal to that.
Mhm.
I got nothing. I literally have nothing. I just want to hear the music, ma.
That's it.
Listen, take your think piece.
Must be the music.
Listen, you can't have an
Turning
answer for
me
everything.
on. That's right.
I'm problematic.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So, yeah, I'm definitely problematic.
I'm problematic.
You know what I'm
so
saying?
We're all problematic.
That's
and you
it.
know why we're problematic? Because who's working on all of us?
God's working on. You know what I'm saying? Out here.
So if God could find it in his hearts to work on us,
what if God
why
was one
can't-
of us? You know what I'm saying?
just a slob like one of us?
yeah, just a stranger on the bus.
Ugh.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to find his way home.
I don't think God would be on the bus.
Nah.
I don't think so.
Imagine got on the 40 bus and be like, yo, what the fuck up, nigga? I'm sitting down.
No, what if every time people on the train stand up and start talking about Jesus, that's Jesus in a form of a human testing us?
I was so high that I thought that once.
And like you get to heaven, and then Jesus like goes back in the form. Like, remember when you ignored me? Remember when I was telling you about?
Yeah.
And you turn on your headphones.
And then he turns into the dude with the mullet from the 6th train. Like, don't look at me in my eyes. Shout out to everybody that sees that guy. Every time I talk about this dude on Twitter, mad people are like, yo, I know exactly who you're talking about.
Yeah, his name was like Angel something.
Earth
or-
Angel.
Yeah.
And he will not look you in your eyes, and he covers his eyes with a folder. You know what I'm saying? That has crosses on it. This dude is nuts. Maybe he's Jesus.
Maybe he is.
Maybe. Who knows?
Wow.
You can never know in the world.
That's true. How?
Life.
That's the thing. Jesus. There's no way for Jesus to come back and be like, "Yo, I'm Jesus."
I'm Jesus. And niggas be like, "Yo, shut the fuck up, nigga. Fuck out of here."
Like if he made a Twitter account and in the bio he was like, "Yo, I'm Jesus."
Yeah.
The one and only, and put the little trademark shit.
Well,
I'd block him. I'd block him right off the rip. I'd be like,
White Jesus
fucking
poison.
parody account.
Fuck out of here.
I'm not believing this.
Nah.
What if Kanye's Jesus?
Oh shit. Well, he's Jesus.
What if Kanye tweeted out the Bill Cosby's innocent thing to test our hearts to see if we're pure and we still believe?
To test your faith.
Yeah.
Yo.
What if the Kardashians, their whole thing is their
faith.
What if in the future people read Kardashians episode guides as the Bible? And they become like a new religion.
Oh my God.
It won't matter because China will run the world by then.
I was gonna say, I was like, damn, I'm kind of
all
upset
our
that
water will look like Flint, Michigan's water, so it don't matter.
Shout out to Bundy Iced Tea.
Yo, shout out to Flint, Michigan. They're really going through it.
They go through it.
I didn't realize, because people don't, I thought about this morning. We use a lot of water.
Fam.
You
I
gotta brush your
drank tap
teeth.
water the other night, and I was like, yo, I couldn't do
Is it
this in
safe?
Flint.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't shower,
New York,
you
this shit is
can't
crispy and
bathe.
delicious.
Oh,
and has fluoride to make you lose your mind.
And
vote
what's
Democrat.
wild, like they're not
You know what I'm
really,
saying?
they're not moving fast out there. Like everyone's like, yo, I sent water to Flint, Michigan, and Flint is like, yo, we really need our pipes fixed. Pause. Like the water is good, but I really can't be.
Thanks for the water, but I can't bathe with Poland Spring.
Oh,
Melo sent 28,000 crates of Fiji water and shit. They're like,
Yeah.
yo, thanks, but
we should send some water
I gotta wash my
on
ass.
behalf of the Bodega Boys.
Send the barrel,
A barrel,
a shipping barrel full of water.
yeah. Bodega Boys shipping water.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, listen.
I told my wife mad long ago, listen to me, ma. This is real shit. I was driving home from Jersey. I was mad smacked. I was like, yo, listen. New York City tap water is the best water on earth.
that is without question.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
without question.
Without question. We should bottle this shit and sell it. And she was like, you're fucking crazy. That has to be illegal. Then we go to Pathmark, like, RIP Pathmark. Go to Pathmark like 2 weeks later. What's on the shelves? NY20 with the fucking Statue of Liberty on it.
How would they even stop you from selling it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
But my wife is a Jewish person, so I feel like there are a lot of I'm familiar with laws.
Where do you can you join J-Date if you're not Jewish? Like, how does that work?
I think you could, but I don't.
Do you
I
gotta
don't think-
like put your foreskin on the trackpad? And they'll be like,
You have a foreskin?
You have a
Incorrect.
foreskin, incorrect. Not available at your time.
Not available in your zip code.
It's like Fresh Direct.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Shout out to J-Date.
Shout out to J-Date.
My wife didn't go on there.
Oh, she did. Yeah.
She went scum date.
Scumdate.net. She went on Zeusk.com where you can find people
Shout
that
out
rip
to
off your
meeting
feet.
women in the wild, dog, which is not happening anymore because you can't. You
Yeah.
can't meet.
You got out the
women outside
game. You got
anymore.
out the game when that was still a thing. Like you don't meet
You
women
can't.
outside.
When I saw my wife, I was like, "Yo, what's up?"
Because it's like this.
You
If
can't do that anymore.
Yeah, because if you approach a woman on the street, that's street harassment. Now you have Tinder.
Yeah.
You have Twitter, which you're risking it because you
True.
can get screenshotted.
Yeah.
That's the big fear.
I saw my wife across the hall. I was like, "Yo, what's up?"
Yeah.
That will get me in trouble
You
now.
got HR.
Man,
Game done changed, dog.
damn.
You got out the game just in time, man. Do you know what it's like?
It's like when I.
Do you know what it's like now? Like this is what dating is like now. You meet someone, and then you in your heart of heart, you just got to be like, "Yo, I cannot Google this person. I have to organically find out who this person is and let them tell me who they are."
Yeah.
Because you Google somebody and always their worst shit comes up. You don't find out any of the good shit.
No.
Just their real bad shit.
Terrible.
Shit that maybe they can explain, but once you see it, you know, now you have this image of them in your head. Like, for example, me? Nigga, you Google me, you walking away from the table. Right? Like, my shit is not, like, I'm not, you Google me and I'm finding photos of me giving a polio vaccine to little kids in Africa. All right? You're going to find really bad shit, be saying really mean shit.
Yo,
right
yo,
up,
if they
take
keep
downs and shit.
looking,
But if you keep looking, you know.
they might find that they can and shit when we in the children's
With
hospital.
the children cancer.
You
You know what I'm saying? You might find my touchworthy story that moved people last week about my dog, who's
That's right.
doing better, by the way. I don't
right.
want to
By the way,
by the sun, but yeah.
Desus neglected to tell me he was coming straight to the studio, so I'm like, yo, where's Desus at? He did not respond, according to me, but according to him, he did, but whatever, we're not going to go there.
No,
Anyway.
okay. Why would you bring that up? Here's the thing. Mero goes, I did not get your text. Pulls out his phone and shows me that he did not receive, quote unquote, a text. As if in 2016, you cannot delete a text.
Yo.
Here's the other thing.
Why would I do that?
Your man Mero thinks he can out scumbag a scumbag. All right? I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. All right? You know how many women I've looked straight in the face like, yo, ma, I did not get that text. Knowing damn well I deleted it. And then did the fucking Jordan after I deleted it. All right? Don't lie to me.
Yo. So anyway, so speaking of your dog and me not getting that text, so like, I'm like, oh shit. I was like, this nigga's dog died. That's the first thing I thought was like, because this dog was sick, and I was like, oh shit. I was like, damn, that's fucked up. So I was like, yo. I was like, damn, should I even text back? I was like, damn, I shouldn't text him back like, are you going to the studio? I should just probably just go to the studio, and if he's not there, then I'll know the truth.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, man, also, by the way, I'm extremely high.
Right.
The entire time this is happening.
No, I mean, I said that last week.
You know what I'm
but
saying?
let's be for real. Like, I'm about my fucking money and I'm about my business.
That's true.
And I recorded an episode of Desus vs. Mero as my mother was going through brain surgery.
That's true.
So I am not going to let anything stop this fucking wagon wheel. You got me?
That's true.
My dog dies, I'm kissing her on the head, and I'll be like, yo, I'll be back later to bury you. I got to get these checks.
You know what I'm saying? Then you come in with a black armband on his jersey.
No, shout out to me. And you know what's fucked up? That's right where Desus vs. Mero was really popping.
Yep.
And so after I left the studio to go back to the hospital with my mother and sit bedside by her, mad hospital employees that saw me and recognized me. He was like, yo, Desus, I love you. Yo, shout out to Mero, blah, blah. And I'm just in the elevator just like, oh, fuck. Like, yo, they're like, yo.
That's so funny because it's like, yo, dog, I'm in the hospital for something stressful.
Like, dog, I'm in wild upstate New York.
Yeah, I'm not a candy striper,
I'm not
nigga.
just chilling.
Yeah.
Like, it's like 15 minutes before visiting time. Like, I took the Metro North up. I took trains I never took. And dude's like, yo, you want to blow one down in the parking lot? I'm like, dog, I need to see my mother.
Yo, shout out to the dude who recognized you and then also recognized me. Shout out to White Plains Hospital, where my latter children's was born.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
and,
it was White Plains. It was White Plains Medical Center. It was where my mother was at.
It was the same guy. He was like, yo, I see these. I was like, yeah, nigga, I know.
Yeah. Yeah. It was like weird. Yo, life is funny. Life comes at you fast.
I got my way for the windshield like, he's like, yo, you niggas are mad funny. I'm like, yeah, word, thanks.
That shit was hilarious. But no, listen, Bodega Boys is for the people.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You know, that's one thing we
don't hesitate to say what's up.
No, yeah. If you see us in the street, you know, shout out. There was where were we? No, on the flight back from LA, the guy in the row over clearly knew who he was and kept doing that weird, I'm staring at you, but I want you to see me staring at you.
Don't do that. That's mad weird, dog.
You see us, pop up, take a photo.
Listen, 85% of the time, I'm wild smacked.
Yes.
So that's very paranoid.
And if I'm next to Mero, I'm probably wild smacked.
You know what I'm saying?
So, you know, you see us, say with us, salute us.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Say hi.
Don't run up, though. Run up, get done up.
Yeah, put your hands up. You got to have your hands up.
Hands up, don't shoot. Like the Beyonce video. Do we? Oh, wow.
We came back around to that full circle?
No, well, we
didn't
did.
talk about that.
But we did not talk about the Super Bowl.
Oh, we didn't.
We did not.
Because Super Bowl was mad fucking boring.
It was boring. You know why? Because white people fixed it.
That's right.
Not the white people that listen to this. I
No.
love y'all.
Y'all
cool.
look mad cool.
I love y'all.
Mad cool progressive.
Love y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
But no, the evil white people.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? They didn't want to see Cam to prosper.
Nope. I didn't see a single dab in that whole Super Bowl, and that shit was fucking trash. That shit was supposed to be a dabathon. Migos was supposed to crash the stage at halftime. You know what I'm saying? Shit was supposed to. It's Black History Month.
And then you get mad at Cam for not staying for a post-game interview.
Fam.
Dog.
Fam.
I have walked out of arguments where my girl was like, you left the toilet seat up.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Here.
I'm out of here. I'm not staying for that.
You fucking stupid.
You know what I'm saying?
I got hit by a car and I shut the curtain on the doctor. The doctor's like, yo, can you move your legs? I'm like, nigga, stop talking to me. I just got hit by a car.
Out of here.
Shut the curtain in your face.
So
Get out of here.
Cam wants to, he just lost the biggest game of his career. He literally has, his whole life has been coming up to this moment.
That's right.
And he lost.
Yep.
And now you mad because he don't want to answer some nerdy questions from, hey Cam,
how does it feel to
lost the team?
All right. And it's 20 people at the same time. How does it feel to start? How does it feel to let down your brother's nigga? Did somebody say nigga?
See?
What?
Nobody wants that. Yo, I stand with Cam. Cam don't have to do it. And then
have to
Cam
do
came back and was like, yo, if you show me a gracious loser,
Yep.
I'll show you a loser.
Yep.
Or some shit like that.
I'm a sore loser too, dog.
I'm
You crazy?
crazy. Also losers. The same people who's just like, and then you have
I got
people
beef
like,
right now. I will fuck Billy Joel up just because you said Billy Joel could potentially fuck my wife.
you see
now
how
I
it
got
works?
beef. Now I got beef for life
You
with
see how
Billy
it
Joel.
works?
You know what I'm
You
saying?
see how it works?
That's how
Once
real
it's in your
niggas
head.
move.
Once it's in your head,
That's how real
boss.
niggas move.
That's how it is. And your mad, what was it? Bill Romanowski? But the one on Twitter, and he was like,
boy, you better,
Call
nigga.
Cam boy.
I hit you with the boy, nigga. I'm doing
All
the boy
right.
hand right now, like boy,
if you don't,
man.
boy, I'm finna roast you, boy.
Oh my god.
Nah, but he's a noted racist. He has racist teeth. He has racist teeth, number 17 on the racial teeth chart.
That's right.
Right after Ronald Reagan.
Yep.
He spit on JJ. Was it the player?
Oh yeah.
He spit on his spit in his face. And if he's a
What's that
no
guy's name?
racist.
What's that guy's name?
And they asked him.
I don't remember.
They were like, "How would you stop Cam Newton?" And he said, at the bottom of the pile of the, when you get tackled, he said he'd choke him out, and then made like I can't breathe joke.
Wow, what a dick.
Yeah. No, listen.
What a dick. Well, it's okay. Yes, he's gonna die horrible.
You do what you want when you're racist.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You know?
You don't care.
Listen.
Yeah, once you get a certain amount of money, it's like you really don't give a shit about shit, and you become oblivious, and then people got to bring you back to reality. Like, yo, my nigga, that was fucked up.
But if you get to a certain amount of money and you're white, like,
oh, you good?
No, who gonna check you, boo?
Who is gonna check you?
All right, you can say what you
saying?
want. Yeah, NFL player, it's whatever. It's all right though, because you know what? Guess what? It's not karma gonna get you, Bill. It's a little thing called CTE. All right. Okay. When you get up and murder your whole family,
You have a concussion.
yeah. Who?
It's the truth.
Who let Will Smith in here?
It's here. I'm here. I want you to tell the truth. You have a concussion in your head. A concussion. You hit your head too many times. B. Romanowski.
What is that?
You have a concussion in your head.
What are you saying?
B. I'm weird.
I want to play football.
You have a concussion.
I gotta go out there.
You cannot.
This is a big game. I gotta
Listen
go
to
out
me
there.
and tell the truth. You have a concussion. You have concussion TE.
I hear bells all the time.
It's okay.
I help me, doctor.
Okay. Eat this fufu.
Concussion 2.
Concussion 2, CTE 2.
Straight to DVD.
You know what I'm saying?
Shot in Nollywood.
Martin Lawrence is coming back.
That shit shot in a 3-family house
It's in the Wayne's
in the South
backyard.
Bronx. Don't even have hospital scenes.
Yo, shout out to this. I saw some random movie on News 12 The Bronx last night that won some type of award, and they were the only movie in the Bronx. That's all the information I have, but shout out to the Bronx.
You shot to the Bronx. Bronx 12 is basic. I watch Bronx 12 every morning just to know that you did not get shot.
Same.
That's it. That and the weather.
Same.
That's literally it. They don't even be having like the real news and shit.
Nah.
They be like, yo, someone got shot in Melrose houses, but that's none of your business.
You know what I'm saying?
So next news story. I'm like, dog, that's not helpful.
Yeah. No, niggas just come out and just be like, Angel Velasquez, 22, was shot in Morris Parks. Like,
I don't know him.
I know 20 Angel Velasquez's, dog.
They be like, do you know this shoplifter?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm like, why are you showing me a shoplifter on basic cable?
Yo, it's so ill. And it's crazy because it's like super local news, but then they'll have some wild world news headline,
they'll be
like 20 people die in Bulgaria from alcohol poisoning.
Next up,
Like, what?
are you black? Are you queer? The Bronx Book Fair is here. And it's like, no, we can't jump from international to local
the
news.
Bronx
Like,
Queer
stop.
Book Fair.
And then they're not even doing it right. It's like, they're like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got books here. It's written by dykes and shit.
You know
like,
what I mean?
no, that's not the book fair.
That's why they get volunteers, because everything in the Bronx that they do is government.
They got
volunteers.
the volunteers. And the volunteers are there for like community service or to fulfill some
They're getting paid,
community
though.
requirement.
Yeah.
But they don't really fuck with the cause and shit. They be
Either
like,
that or
yeah.
they get, it's like a one-time job thing. It's like, yo, the census shit.
Yeah.
The whole niggas going to the census. Yo, y'all,
You know what I'm saying? I got to count how many niggas is up in your apartment and
I
shit.
mean, y'all
You know
got
what I'm
like
saying?
4 niggas here. Y'all, any other niggas live here usually or nah?
Yo, like, what's the breakdown in your Twitter bio as far as your ethnicity, ma?
You know what I mean?
You from Cape Verde?
It says Blasian, but like,
What's that mean?
is that like,
You know what I'm saying?
like Koreatown, like?
It's like those guys that they drive the small school buses and they gotta pick up the developmentally challenged kids.
Yo, but
And
the
they
wild
just-
scumbags.
The wild scumbags kind of pushing them off the bus, like, hurry up.
Yo, come on, my nigga, what the fuck, man?
Yo, come on, man.
Yo.
I gotta lower this thing and pick up your wheelchair
Yo,
again.
Matthew, my nigga, I told you don't bite the seat, B.
Stop.
Yo, I swear to God,
Yo, I'm
yo.
gonna take off your helmet and expose your soft spot.
Yo, that'd be mad foul. Been calling retards and shit.
Yeah.
Yo, I've been.
Dog,
I seen it.
I seen it. Like a 20-inch Zenith, believe it.
Yo.
People, listen. That's what people forget. Every job is just a job.
It's just
People
a job.
think like
It wasn't this dude's dream to drive the fucking Accessoride.
I think the only job in the whole entire world that you have to love people in order to have this job is a nurse.
Oh yeah.
Not a doctor.
Oh, absolutely.
Because doctors
doctor,
fuck doctors. Doctors are scum because doctors get all the credit while nurses do all the nasty shit.
Fam.
All right, shout out to all my nurses.
Shout out to all
Bang
nurses.
Bang, Beth Israel gang,
You know what I'm saying?
Richard and all of them.
Shout out to everybody.
My sister, whose name I won't use, says all of a sudden there seems to be some sort of change.org petition to get my sister on Bodega Boys. No.
Yeah.
She ain't coming on here.
Yeah.
She's disrespectful. She uses my government name. I don't like that.
Shout out to.
I'm never going to be
Jesus.
Desus to her.
Shout out to homie that was like, yo, Desus' sister or Mero's wife needs to be a guest on the show.
Nope.
My wife would be a guest on the show and be like, can I go now? I have to pick up Adrian in 20 minutes. Why am I on 18th Street? I have to go back to the Bronx. This is really ridiculous. You should really, like, why are we doing
My
this?
sister would come up here and just tell like the most embarrassing stories about me. I'd never be viewed as cool again. She'd be like, when he was younger, he used to pull his dick between his legs and do the Silence of the Lamb dance. I'm like, yeah, okay, I just snitched on myself, but yeah, I did that.
Yeah, so what?
So what?
So what? It was
I
a
was
cool
young.
movie.
It was cool.
I was impressionable.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? It
Yeah,
puts the lotion on his skin.
Yeah, now my wife would definitely tell an embarrassing story, but it will be one that I already told. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like, yo, I threw up on myself and peed on myself on Xannies.
It happens,
not
man.
embarrassing.
happens. Listen, God's working on all of us. Some of us.
Remember that time
others.
we were upstate and you fucking made me drive you to Denny's at 6 o'clock in the morning because you were so fucking drunk? That was so obnoxious. That's a pull quote.
That's the kind of thing.
Yeah, that's a pull quote.
Oh. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Somebody actually told me it was like that. Your description of marriage was quite heartfelt last week.
Oh, that was dope. I don't even remember it. But
Yeah, you were like, it's like a team.
Yo, it is though.
It's like a team thing.
You know what I'm saying?
And you know what I say to that? Fuck that. All right, it ain't
This
about
is
no
like,
team
yo,
shit.
this is like, I'm fucking
Fuck that.
Allen Iverson and
Okay,
this shit.
it's my team now.
No assists.
Look at me. Look at me. I am the captain now. Okay, I don't need all that.
Yo.
Nah, I think I listened to the last episode and I was like, damn, this shit is kind of like shaping up. Like Desus wants Mero's kind of life with kids and and then you know what? I just looked at my calendar for this weekend and it is so many events. I'm going to the sneaker app, the Nike sneaker app event. I'm going to like the Kanye shit. Like,
shit.
I'm out here.
The Kanye shit is like the garden?
It's at Madison Square Garden.
Wow.
It is at Madison Square Garden. I have no idea what's
Wait,
going to do.
it's a fashion show or is it
It's Kanye. For all I know, we might
Kanye-
go there. He
it's
might
an
just put
artist
dicks in
moment?
our butt. I don't care. I'm down with the use moment. You know, if that's what Kanye wants to do, that's what Kanye does.
Yo, imagine. He could probably
He could
get away with that.
If
He
Kanye
could
was
put,
like, yo,
remember
put this dildo in your butt, dog, I'm
Yo,
like,
yo.
shit.
he's-
Do we get to keep the dildo?
Is it a Yeezy dildo?
Is it easy,
Is it
Joe?
one of 30?
Yo, you see guys on eBay like, yo, looking for dead stock or slightly used Yeezy
Lightly
dildo.
used Yeezy dildo. Only used with condom. Asterisk.
Receipt inbox necessary. Nah, listen, you gotta stand for your favorite. You gotta stand for your favorite. Like, and the thing was, I was never always a Kanye fan like that.
Yeah.
But I saw him live in concert at Essence Fest, and he tore it down.
Shout out to that. That was in February. That was a very black statement.
That was a very black statement.
I saw
I've been
live at Essence Fest.
I've seen many. I saw Beyonce live.
Did you have linen pants on?
I did not.
Oh, almost.
Because you say that for Sunday for Frankie
Almost.
Beverly and Maze.
Hey!
No, I saw. Shout out to Beyonce. Beyonce did Essence Fest. Beyonce sold out the Superdome. Do you know what that means?
Yeah, that's 100,000.
Like you look in the top row and you seen the smiling black faces. They couldn't see Beyonce, but they just wanted to be in the building.
Yeah, that's
All right.
wild.
And even then, I was like, I'm
understood
not a
that.
Beyonce fan. I'm not a Beyonce fan. All day, I was like, I'm not a Beyonce fan. I'm gonna watch this. It's gonna be some regular shit. Beyonce, and I'll say it right now, time for Desus Fuego with the hot take. Beyonce is the closest thing to Michael Jackson we are ever gonna see.
Wow. You know what? I am not going to disagree with that because everybody knows Michael Jackson's the GOAT.
The GOAT.
Of all time. But Michael Jackson was a motherfucking entertainer, dog. You know what I'm
Beyonce
saying?
listen.
Same thing with Beyonce.
Beyonce be putting in 4-inch heels, dog.
Shows, dancing.
Dancing, singing,
making
acting,
kids. All that.
All that.
I'll give her the acting. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas say. I'll give her the acting. I saw that movie where she was like the jealous wife or some shit. She ended up murking some.
With Idris?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to see that with my wife and we had a great time. It was a great movie. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Out here.
That's cool.
A little movie date.
That's cool. Movie dates.
Little like movie date.
Oh, it's 2016. I don't go on dates no more. You want a date? A date is me and your DMs. Like, what are you doing?
Yo, it was mad depressing because my mom went upstate to go stay with my brother because my brother's shout out to my brother and is about to have another.
You know
kid.
what? If I didn't know you and your lifestyle and know that you are a responsible person, you just saying your mother went upstate, I would assume your mother got locked up.
Yo, it makes a lot of sense. Yo, you know what's crazy, my nigga? Yo, I read some shit on Humans of New York. Shout out to him for paraphrasing and making everybody sound mad smart, even though they're probably saying not smart things.
Right.
But he had found the Spanish lady who got bamboozled into trafficking coke. And was just because because I was a single mom,
Right.
and I was taking care of my mother and my
Right.
2 kids, and homie was like, yo, I can make X amount of money just bringing ship from point A to point B.
Right.
Got caught up in it, and is doing 25 joints. That's crazy.
It's not.
It's not crazy.
You know why it's not crazy? Because everyone in fucking jail lies about how they ended up in jail,
That's true.
and they make the story sound
That's true.
mad sympathetic to themselves
No,
because
that's
I
true.
did the same thing. All right? No one in jail is going to tell you the truth about, yo, I did this, and I did this, and I did this, and that's how I ended up like this.
Yeah.
You really...
But shout out to the niggas that do though.
I mean, that's very rare
I feel
in
like
between.
I feel like
That's
the younger
very...
generation does
No,
that on
because
Facebook.
everyone, niggas be
snitches on
lying,
themselves.
dog. People, no one is ever gonna be like, yo, my man came to me with bricks, and I was like, yo, I could flip this and make mad money, and I was spending the money on Range Rovers and shit. And then, I made the stupid I was in the club two-stepping, drunk off Henny, and I sold a 20 bag to an undercover and ended up ratting on mad niggas. No one ever says that. It's always some shit like, oh, I was taking my mother to get her fucking kidney dialysis, and someone slipped a 20 bag in my back pocket, and now I'm doing 40 years. Like, no, dog. Come on, man. Be honest. If you can't be honest with yourself, you can't be honest with us. All right, shout out to everyone locked up behind the G-wall, everyone upstate, you know what I'm saying? Jesus feels your pain.
Wow.
God willing, I'd never join you.
Oh, you feel my pain, nigga? Why don't you put some fucking money on my books?
Nah, I ain't putting money on your books. Because you know what? You knew, that's the thing, when you're hustling, you should have money set aside.
That's true.
For if you get locked up, for a rainy day.
Yeah,
and what happens is niggas get locked up, and all the money he puts aside is all the money for bail and your lawyer and your criminal investigator. And you're like, Jesus, if I have a lawyer, why do I need a criminal investigator? And I laugh and I say, you'll find out soon enough. All right? You'll find out soon enough.
You'll soon learn.
You'll soon learn. Oh, you're trying to beat an 848 charge with a public defender? Hey, salute, my G.
Speaking of lawyers,
listen. Once they enter the court with oak tag and laminated binders, you're done, my guy.
It's a wrap.
All right. If the DA has a colorful name for your operation, all right. If your shit is called like Blue Sky or Vanilla Sky or some shit, you're going to jail. If it looks like a family reunion, it's just you, your cousin, your auntie, and the guy next door, and you all look sad for your mugshots. Listen, man. Enjoy mid-state.
Your lawyer needs to come in and talk and say what's up to the judge by first name.
Yeah, that's only.
How you doing, Larry? Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah.
How's everything?
Your lawyer needs to talk to the judge while court is recessed before shit even starts.
Yeah,
like before they.
If they're not chuckling with each other,
if your lawyer comes in and says such shit to the stenographer and she cracks up, you good.
Good.
If she's like Karen, looking good, and she's
looking
like,
good.
Barry,
you're
good. You're
How
good.
you been? How's the little leagues?
All right.
How's the coaching going?
If your lawyer has a coffee stain, nope.
Not good.
No.
If your lawyer got a ponytail,
nope.
It's quiet for you.
Nope.
It's quiet.
Nope. If he's clean shaven, if he's white and you're in a very urban community, and it's like you could tell he's definitely from Teach for America.
Oh yeah. Super quiet.
Man.
Super quiet. If the nigga looks like he's in Weezer, it's super quiet.
The scariest thing your lawyer could say to you is the first thing out of his mouth is, "We could beat this." No. You want a lawyer that's gonna be honest with you. He's gonna be like, "Listen, I gotta be honest with you. You might have to do some time on this. Just be real with me.
Yeah, be real.
Be real with me. Don't get my hopes up. Don't let me like, yo, I'm out of here. I'm about to go home and play fucking Xbox.
Best thing I can do is get you on some papers, buddy.
Listen, you're gonna go to the island for a week, but I'm gonna get you out of there. I promise.
Listen, you're gonna go on a little cruise.
Yeah, that's always bad. Yeah, listen.
You're gonna go on the boat for a little bit.
Go on the boat. It's all right. Or when they find some shit like an outstanding warrant or case, and like you didn't tell me about the gun charge.
Why didn't you tell me this? You didn't think this was relevant?
Come on. You have to listen. This only works if you're 100% honest with me. If you're not 100% honest with me, I can't help you.
I'm not the one that's going to put you in jail.
I'm not.
It's not me.
Listen, I don't have to do the time.
It's the DA.
I have 4 other clients out here. I don't need.
You know what DA stands for?
I don't need this problem.
Dick in the ass, and that's what's going to happen to you if you don't listen to me. Just take this plea deal. You do 5 years for this bag of weed. It'll be fine.
No, listen.
Like, whoa, what?
Listen. I spoke to your mother. She said you're a good guy. Pull some strings, Just get time served. Listen, kid. And they touch your face.
No, don't touch my fucking face.
My fucking face. What is this? A fucking Charles Dickens book? Don't touch me. Just get these cases out of here.
Yo.
And the more you pay your lawyer, nothing's like. I remember the lawyer was like, "Yo, fire kicks." I'm like, no, don't talk about my sneakers. Just get this fucking case off the docket.
Yeah, you should be mad at me for having
tired of having
on.
to come down to 100 Center Street on a Monday.
You don't have a collar shirt? That's what your lawyer should say to you if you show up later. You don't have a collar shirt? I got one in my car.
That's all right.
Go outside. It's the Audi.
Here, take my tie.
It's double parked.
Here's my tie. Take my tie.
What's your collar size? 17 and a half? All right, I got you.
Your Honor, my client went to college.
Shut the don't worry.
That's 90%. Like, you get your case thrown off of that. Oh, like, my client went to college. Then everyone's like, ooh. Then the fucking corrections officers start showing a little more titty. Like, oh, he went to college. I got union benefits. Hello. Shout out to my COs.
Shout out to dude smashing COs. You're a fucking idiot.
Someone just got caught because this is what COs don't realize. Is
who's smashing a CO and then shooting the club up in the CO?
Nah, you know what it... If you locked up and you've been around nothing but dudes for like 4 weeks to 8 months,
still pulling out.
I mean, dog, you gotta shoot the club up.
Still pulling out.
It depends on what charge you're facing.
Imagine.
And listen,
CO Preggaton, that's not good for you.
No, that's perfect for you. You gotta.
You doing a 6-month full skin bit, nigga? You don't want to get see her reggaeton because now you going back to jail.
You got her because now you own, like if you like bring these scalpels in, bring this, or I'm gonna tell whatever that we was doing that. You got her by the new. You got her.
That's true.
You got and that's the thing. COs make such good money and they have such great benefits.
Yeah.
But it's the sad truth. Some COs they become COs because they miss the attention. Because you could be the ugliest female CO and some inmate is going to beat his dick furiously every time you pass his cell.
Yo.
And that's just the truth.
That's true. Yeah. That's
So,
true.
some people like that attention.
Hey.
And this young lady, she got caught up in it. It was in the New York Times.
Yeah.
And she's being charged with rape because you can't have consensual sex with an inmate if you are a CO.
So it's win-win for you if you lock those. Oh, shit.
And the worst part is what she said. The sex was bad. He did like 3 pumps and pass.
No! I mean, what do you expect?
The nigga ain't fucking like 6 months.
Are you kidding me? Dog, you know how... Fam,
Dog,
I
if
won't fuck for like
you're
3 days
fucking an inmate and he hit you with the wild 60-minute long deep stroke,
yeah,
you gotta ask some questions.
You better, yeah.
Because you're gonna look at his
You better wrap it up.
His CO, his cellie is looking at you very pensive, like that bitch ain't all that.
Bitch thinks she cute.
She ain't gonna spin on that dick like I do.
Oh no!
Oh, yo, shout out to prisons.
Shout out to prison.
Shout out to prisons. When we come we're gonna do our live show at a prison.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
We're gonna do that. It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be super.
It's gonna be super lit.
You know what I'm
So if you're a fan, get arrested now.
You know what I mean?
So that way, when we do the live show in the prison,
Not
you got
crazy.
the best seats.
Just do a little year.
Little year.
How long do you have to be on
Rikers?
Rikers before they send you off?
You got 2 years.
2 years?
2 years. In theory.
In theory, right? But they've
You
been
should
motherfuckers on
be-
Rikers
if you-
for 5 years.
Yeah, you could be on Rikers for 5 years with no charge.
Yeah. Shout out to Rikers for being mad fucked up.
You know what people don't realize? Rikers has a lot of cats.
Hemingways.
Hemingways?
Yeah.
Oh, the cats, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I thought you were talking about poets.
No.
Yes, because they had the rat problem and
Yeah.
they introduced the breed of cats.
Yeah.
And they run the island.
Not around the island.
They're all over the place. Netas used to run the island. Now it's no.
Those cats.
Netas never ran the island, did they? No.
I don't know. I feel like.
I think Latin Kings and Netas, they was run, and then the Bloods came through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloods came through.
Shout out to the 5-Star Nation.
Shout out the Bloods. And then the Trinitario shit started. The Dominican niggas.
Yeah, but I mean, are they really scary if they don't have machetes?
I mean, they're scary because they're scary without like guns and shit. They're scary with like homemade weapons. If you can scare me with a homemade weapon, then
Yeah.
you're pretty scary. You know what I mean? Yo, I made this nigga, I'm gonna kill you with this fucking spork. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean-
like you can, and I know, yo, they have killed niggas with sporks before. I'm at risk.
At risk, I mean, that's why it's true. It's true. All those Spanish gangs, that's why the Universal Blood Nation was created.
You know what I'm saying?
The 5 stars.
Shout out to gangs.
Shout out to
This
gangs.
is
Shout
the
out to
wild contraband episode.
Yeah,
Nigga,
for
like,
real, right? Niggas gonna boot shit in their butt. Shout out to all 031 MOB niggas out there. You know what I mean?
Oh shit.
You know what I'm
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? All my non-trade gangsters affiliates.
We're definitely getting fucking investigated by gang unit after this.
But what's scarier? I mean, dude, here's the thing. If the gang unit investigate us, they're gonna get like
It'll be us and like mad 13-year-olds. Shout out to gang unit for investigating mad 12-year-olds.
because that's what they could get.
Yeah.
But our gang investigation is going to be superseded by our constantly shouting out ISIS,
Oh.
the NSA investigation.
Yo, that's a dope. That would be a dope like.
They're going to collide into that. That'd be a dope Law and Order
what I'm
episode.
saying?
Dick Wolf.
You're out of your jurisdiction. We've been following them for fucking years.
Bullshit.
Agent Johnson.
Bullshit. All right. Anything they say 031, that's gang talk. All right. We're investigating them.
You know what? Shut your fucking mouth because we've been following them. They have ties to terrorist organizations.
Oh, here we
Are
go.
you kidding me?
Here we go.
With your bullshit blood gang bullshit?
Listen.
Are you kidding me? What do you think is worse? Fucking terrorists beheading Americans or fucking a bunch of monkeys shooting each other in the fucking ghetto?
Any 2-bit Harry could put on a suit and come from Washington and think he can
You know
take
what? I don't
over
have to
here.
listen to this.
No, you're going to listen to this.
Fuck you.
You're going to listen to this.
Ah, I think it's so
My
funny.
grandma got her face slashed on the PATH train the other day. This is personal.
Niggas say mad racist shit on the law. Like you don't even catch it because you're just like, yo, this is riveting.
What's this show? Why are there like 50 cop shows on TV?
Yo.
You know what? People who don't deal with the
Shout out
cops.
to the best cop show on TV, Angie Tribeca.
Yeah, check it out. Check out Rashida Jones. She's out there.
Hey,
Bang Bang Rashida Gang.
Gang.
That's a very black name too.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a very black name.
Hell yeah.
Don't- I want to hear you listening to this talk about she not black. Her father's Quincy Jones.
That's right.
Shout out to Quincy.
meant
Shout out to
Thriller.
Quincy. But yes, that's a good show. I actually enjoyed that show, and I binge watched it on the plane.
Yeah.
It's a good show.
Yeah.
It's funny. It feels
funny.
very Naked Gun.
Yeah.
Damn, I feel like
Love that type of shit.
Don't it feel like sponsored content? Like she just bought.
No. Yeah,
She just bought a chunk of space in this ad. So. No, shout out to her dropping that $50K
You know
for
what I'm
this
saying?
mention.
You know what I mean? She didn't even have to
Also,
do that.
shout out Mr. Robot. That's a good show.
Yo, also good show.
I watched the whole thing, so look for references for that soon.
But start watching that shit too.
No, don't do that. I want the references all for myself.
Oh, you do?
I don't want common references.
Okay. All right.
Tired of that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's true. I mean, I got the Empire references.
You got the Empire references. I let you have that.
That's true.
I never started watching
I mean,
Empire.
yo, to be fair, you don't want that. You know
I
what I'm
don't
saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas out driving like, yo.
Is Empire coming back?
I think it is.
It gotta come back.
It gotta come back, dog. It's like the black soap opera. It needs to come back.
But
we need it.
Do we
It's
need
like
it?
novellas. You know why? I finally realized why this shit appeals to me is because my grandma, I used to be in the crib all the time. My grandma always had novellas on in the background. And Empire is basically like a novella in English. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, well,
it kind of appeals to that sensibility.
we don't really need that,
my
though.
grandma.
We need that.
Love you, grandma.
That's why we have Oscars So White. We don't raise the bar. We need to write better shows.
Okay.
I don't know.
Touche.
I don't know. I don't know if that was me or if
Lee
I was
Daniels
just,
was like, okay, Hunty.
I don't know if that was me or if I was just channeling the wild racist Twitter egg.
You could.
But, yeah.
It could be. Nah, I mean, there's a lot of good stuff. I felt like Creed was great.
Creed
You know
was
what I'm
good.
saying?
Are we back on this?
I mean, yo.
What's with you black people? Is that the last good movie y'all had?
Nah,
Y'all won't shut the fuck up about Creed.
Straight Outta Compton was good too.
All right?
You know what's
White
crazy?
people, this is what I'm talking about shit that's racist towards white people.
Right.
Because white people who have mad white movies, they could list off like, this was better than Creed, this was better than Creed. And people are like, there are no black people in it. It's like, yo, what?
Bridge of
No one wants to
Spies.
hear about-
Bridge of Spies was mad white, but it's also
What was
real
that?
good. It was with Tom Hanks, which anything with Tom Hanks is automatically wild.
Dog, I don't even know any white movies. Honestly, the last white movie I don't know.
What's the last white movie you saw?
The last white movie with all white people in it?
Yeah.
300? I don't know.
300.
Was that even white?
I wasn't even. That was like Mediterranean.
Yeah.
No, that's white. That's white. And that's like Arabian. Wasn't it like Persian?
Like Crazy was the last white movie I saw.
Crazy.
The
What
rom-dram movie. Rom-com?
Rom-com.
It was rom-dram, actually. It was like
romantic
some
drama?
wild shit about some white girl. She overstays her visa, and like her and the boyfriend are like they.
Oh, the French bitch? Is it Julie Delpy?
I don't know. I don't know. They all look alike.
Victor's
Sorry.
like, no, nigga. Victor's like, I have financed many indie films, and I know I'm very familiar with Julie Delpy. That was not her.
No, it was who was in this movie? It was Felicity Jones.
Felicity Jones.
Felicity Jones.
Who the fuck is that?
And you don't know who Felicity Jones is? Even I know who Felicity Jones is. Basically, like she gets forced because it's like after 9/11 and she overstays her visa and like she gets trapped in England and she has to create like a new relationship and then he creates a new relationship.
Who's
here.
the guy in the movie?
The guy is Anton Yelchin. I don't know, but the whole movie's like improv, but not like that weird UCB improv.
Right.
Like
here, have a drink.
like this is like wild, like torment. Like it's like there's breakup scenes and you can relate to them, and this is like
Yo, you know what's dope? I like this because now niggas are working in entertainment. We just watch them TV shows and movies and shit
Yeah.
get made. So now you appreciate.
I
little
appreciate
you know what
this
I'm saying?
shit. I appreciate this.
Even if it's not, my whole shit was like, yo, I need guns and titties and drugs.
Right.
On all my movies, or else the shit is whack.
No.
And now I'm just like, you know what? I'll watch a fucking June bug.
No, I didn't watch this.
You know what I'm saying?
I didn't watch this by choice though.
Oh, you didn't? You girl made
Actually,
you
it
watch
was no. I was going on a date with a
Okay.
chick, and apparently the girl. I had said something early on about not dating chicks with kids because that's where I was at one point in life.
Right.
And the chick had a kid, and so she basically her babysitter she never told me she had a kid.
Oh.
So then the babysitter didn't show up.
Deceit.
So like maybe 15 minutes before, because I bought the tickets ahead of time, and she's
Right.
like, "Yo, I gotta be honest with you, I got a kid, blah blah. The babysitter didn't come through. Like, I hope you don't, whatever."
You know what? You're a great person for following through and going on that date. Because if you didn't, just imagine her with her kid sitting there like by the escalators at like Baby
No,
Plaza
the kid
movie
wasn't
theater.
going on the date.
Oh, he wasn't.
No.
So
that's
what-
why she couldn't go because she was trying to leave the kid at home.
Oh.
So now I gotta go watch this wild
Oh,
romantic
this is-
movie, and everyone there is coupled up. And now I'm sitting there, and I'm sitting next to some girl who I don't know if her guy didn't show up. Now she's crying through the whole movie. And I'm sitting there with my arms folded, like this is some fucking bullshit. And then to make things worse, because I already paid for the ticket, I'm like, I'm gonna watch the movie regardless.
Right.
I leave the movie
just snuck into
theater.
a different movie.
I didn't even think about that. Well,
Scumbag,
you live, you learn.
scumbag.
And-
You want a
but also, I
scumbag
wanted-
mode because you want to date.
I also wanted to
I
see the
respect
movie.
that.
It was like it had won some awards.
Okay.
So afterwards, I'm like, this is some bullshit. Today is terrible. I'm going to my favorite bar. Shout out to Foley's on 33rd.
Hey,
So I go on Foley's.
melt the ice.
And who was sitting there with their new boo? My ex.
What?
And I'm like, today is just great.
Oh man,
And now look how my life is rebounding and fuck everybody
That's right.
involved in that story.
fuck that.
That's right.
That whole life story is
That
like
shit's done.
like yo, Sasha Vujacic for 3, bong brick. Oh, Kristaps Porzingis pull back. Wow, pow. That's what it was. Pow.
Look
Nigga,
at the
suck.
bounce back.
Paint a picture for
That
me,
was
nigga.
2011. Now it's 2016. We out here. We flying, dog.
I'm saying?
I'm like Aladdin.
That's right.
All right. I'm flying around a whole new world.
Whole new thought.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to thoughts.
Shout out to thoughts.
Their thoughts.
Everybody, niggas are thoughts too. When I use terminology like that, like hoe and thought, I'm like, I hope bitches ain't like, yo, this nigga's being wild misogynist.
No, when you say thoughts, there's more male thoughts than there are female thoughts.
Hell yeah. Exponentially.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yo, some dudes is out here being bottle waitresses and they're not even bottle waitresses.
You know what's crazy? I feel like if you ask 10 women, like, yo, would you fuck this dude for money? A lot of them would, like, just like a dude like Donald Trump. Just
Right.
like somebody who's just like rich but very unattractive. Most women be like, no. If you ask a dude, yo, would you fuck somebody like Oprah? Would you fuck Oprah? Every dude would fuck Oprah. Every dude would fuck Oprah.
Yeah. Listen.
Every dude would fuck Oprah. I'll fuck Oprah. And my wife would be like, yo, go fuck Oprah.
Yeah.
Do it for the family.
You know what? Oprah, I hope she never searches her name on Twitter because it's probably people just like, yo, I want to fuck Oprah.
Yeah.
That's gotta feel weird.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gotta feel weird.
That's why niggas are thoughts.
Yeah, I'd fuck Oprah though.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, who would it?
Who wouldn't?
Who would it?
You know what I'm saying?
I feel like Oprah would be wild disrespectful during sex though, because she knows she got the upper hand.
She would have to be.
Like she'd make you eat a cactus,
choke you and shit, smack you in your face.
She'd be like, you fucking piece of shit.
Piece of you poor.
Put you on a fucking leash and walk you around her bedroom.
Blindfold you, put money in your mouth.
Pee on you.
She'll use that shit as like a ball gag.
Yeah.
Like a roll of hundreds. That's a ball gag. You piece of shit, pee on you and shit.
Like she's
shit
throwing
on you.
nickels at you wild hard while you're naked.
Oh no! Make
like,
you watch
dance
Two
for
Girls,
it.
One Cup and shit.
Dance for it.
Oh no!
You want these quarters? Just throw a sack of Julia dollars into nuts, mad hard.
Man, hard. Yo,
take that, you poor.
You know what I'm saying? Her and Gail just laughing at you, drinking mimosas.
You man Stedman in the back jerking it.
Oh, I love it.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, can't wait to go to Cuckold Fest.
Oh, Gail, put your finger in his butt again. She's putting a roll of 100 pennies in your butt. Oh man, shout out to Oprah.
Shout out to Oprah.
You know, I love how we slander people and then at the end we're like, shout out to them.
Shout out to them because
they're like, no, you just slandered me for 10 minutes.
Nah, but yeah, it was brand awareness.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
This
Niggas
is
pay for that.
Where you wanna be?
That's what it was. I had to sing the whole shit to remember what it was.
What?
It was Food Emporium. I made a store just for me. Food Emporium. Food Emporium.
Where's this reference? Did you
no
say
idea.
this earlier? Or?
I have no idea. It's just my high brain being like,
damn, what is your brain like?
It's crazy.
Is your brain like a broken down strip mall?
Yo, it's like
ghosts and shit. You as you walk around the back, you hear like,
yo,
you turn around
it's
and
crazy.
go?
Like, you know, like when you're an adult and you're like married and you got to be responsible.
No,
shit, like,
no.
I mean, okay, you don't, but like everybody else does.
No,
so, like,
not everyone else is married.
A lot of people do. I was about to ask Sheldon, like, yo, you know about this? He's like, yeah, he knows. See, Sheldon knows. Anyway, shout to Sheldon. You know what I'm saying? Yo, but like I tell my wife this shit all the time. Like, and that's why she's like, yo, smoke all the weed you want. My brain is like, especially at night, you know what I'm saying, is overthinking. Like, there's too many things going on in my brain all the time. Mm-hmm. Ideas for shit, a joke. If I don't, like, I was going to tweet today, and this is a great example. I was going to tweet today, yo, I forget more jokes than, like, niggas think up. You know what I'm saying? Like, right. And it's just like, and that sounds like a wild flex, but it's really not because I forget so much shit. I'll think of something and be like, yo, write it down. I won't write it down. I'll forget it.
Why don't you write it down?
Because and it'll be funny because I'll be like on my phone or something. I'll be like, yo, let me just go to Notepad and write this down. There's the most randomest shit on my Notepad. Like, yo, yeah, it's crazy. I'm not even. We should just go through the Notepad and just, you know what I'm saying, do something with it.
I don't know.
Make paid.
No.
I just said make paid.
Yeah. Is that what your brain is like?
That's what my brain thinks. Make paid.
Did you have a stroke at some point? Is that why your brain works differently?
Nah.
Yeah.
It just overthinks. It's overactive. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's life.
Wow.
A beautiful mind.
All right, let's go a little farther.
What if I just started doing math mad fast right now, nigga? What if I just started reciting pi to like 85 digits? Would it blow your mind?
That's not impressive.
Reciting pi to 85 digits will not impress you, fam?
No, it would not.
Straight through? Like
how am I supposed to fact check that? How am I
if you had it in front
that?
of you. Like, if you had a printout in front of you and you could confirm it, like, digit by digit.
How is that impressive? There's no... Listen.
That's crazy.
Let me... Listen. Here, this is not even a Desus...
That's crazy.
This is not even a Desus Fuego hot take. No woman has ever had her pussy made wet by listening to the recitation of the digits of pi. All right? Let's get that the fuck out of here. Life is not square one. We are not officers of MatNet. All right?
Like, why are we quantifying, like, a man's worth by, like... Sorry, we do this NPR, nigga? Hell no. Fuck out of here.
Okay, I see. That was wrong. That was wrong
I don't
about
care.
making your girl. Yeah.
I'm saying,
See, everything's problematic.
Everything's problematic,
And now
but I
look,
don't care.
now
We don't
someone's
care.
out there like, yo, I love Desus.
But you know what? No,
Desus
I
just
don't.
said this mad problematic thing.
I don't care though. I don't care. I want you to continue on your path.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Because you got to be real and you got to be true to
You gotta
yourself.
be true. You gotta talk authenticity.
That's right.
You gotta speak like truth to light,
You know what I'm
beloved.
saying? There's a lot of fucked up things that happen in the world.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fucked up things I say. There's a lot of fucked up things.
Because you gotta think about it. Like,
You know what
there's
I'm saying?
problematic tweets, but you know what? There's little kids in Africa who are drinking water out of used kerosene bottles.
That's right.
So
What's worse?
I don't know.
What's worse?
Do those two have anything to do with each other?
No,
Probably
but
not.
who cares?
But you know
Then
what?
just think on that.
Think on that. Here's something else to think about.
That's a good button for shit.
But
Think on that.
think on that. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Makes everything sound deep.
Everything. You know what I'm
Go
saying?
order Burger King tomorrow and then fucking be like, think on that when you're done with your order. And it'll sound mad deep.
No, when they're like, yo, you're like, yo, I want Coke. And they're like, oh, we just have Pepsi. Is that okay? And you'd be like, think on that.
Think on that.
Would that be okay? Did I ask for Pepsi?
Huh? What would make you think that? The patriarchy that has been set in place by the white man.
Oh, shit.
Yo, we got deep on you niggas
Shout out
twice.
to Bell Hooks. Let's
Look
have
deep.
Bell Hooks on the show.
Hell yeah.
Hell no. Nigga, you crazy? Do you know how bad she will make us look? I met Bell Hooks.
Yeah.
When you talk to Bell Hooks and you're a guy, you feel bad. You feel bad for shit you have
for
not
real.
even done.
You didn't even do nothing.
You feel bad for shit other niggas did.
Yup. You
And
just show up. And
I
you
have
just
an
be like,
autographed
oh,
Bell
man.
Hooks book, The Will to Change.
Oh, man.
And she signed it with my real government name. And she said, to change at the end. I was like, whoa.
Whoa.
I ain't come here for all that.
Listen, is that a
All
sub?
right? I came here with my shorty. Also, apparently, I'm the only guy in the audience.
Yo.
And you're going in kind of hard on the black men.
Yo, listen.
We had to do.
But you need it. You need it.
You need it.
You need it. You need to get. Listen, I was scared to get punched in the face until I got jumped and got kicked in the head with a
Yeah.
Timberland boot. Now
Yeah.
I'm okay with getting punched in the
Listen,
face. I'll punch you.
I will
back.
take an intellectual punch to the face.
You know what I'm saying?
Because you need that every
You
now
need
and
it.
then.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie. When I first joined Twitter, I was not the most woke.
No.
I was ashy.
Same.
I was Hotepian.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? But I have learned.
Yeah.
I have learned. I have let my
Bro.
natural haired sisters teach me the wiles of, you know,
What is,
you know what I'm saying? You learn shit.
somebody, is that shea butter?
That's Shea Butter? That's me. I'm Shea Butter. I'm Shea Butter Twitter. I think I'm peripheral. I'm like adjacent Shea Butter.
Yeah. Shea butter
I'm
Twitter
not-
would be like, that nigga's not shea butter Twitter.
Listen, Shea Butter
He's,
Twitter.
he's way too problematic.
Oh, I'm way too proud of that. But you know what? The popping
But I
people,
did.
The
I-
popping people in Shea Butter Twitter.
Listen.
They be fucking. Shout out to I was talking at Twitter
Shut
yesterday.
time out. I was gonna listen. I didn't want you. I wanted to flex on your behalf.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Go ahead.
Like I was at the Twitter. I feel like the header was very dramatic. Like it was like legendary black voices or
Yes.
something like that. It was something
2016.
crazy. It was something crazy like that. Like I expected like Quincy Jones would be on the panel, but you know who's on the panel, nigga? Young Chipotle, the God, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
man.
Because his legendary voice in black community.
We was out there,
Speak
speak
on that.
We was out there. Shout out to Josen. Shout out to Jamila
You know what I
LaRue,
mean?
the homie. Yo, Trace from Another Round.
Okay.
Shout out my man 5/5.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? We was out
Gang,
there.
gang.
Gang, yo, we was out there. Shout out Black Twitter gang. Shout out
Yeah.
to Twitter Blackbirds. Because we were all talking, you know, like we've all been on Twitter for a minute. We're black. That's basically the requirement. So
Okay.
we're out there.
That shit looked like fucking like if Hollywood was like, all right,
Yeah.
all right,
It did, right?
here.
Listen.
These guys are the Avengers.
I felt bad. I was literally the only person on the panel that did not have natural hair. And then I was like, wait a minute, I have a Caesar. Isn't that natural hair?
It is natural hair.
Right?
It's natural hair.
That's natural hair.
Yes.
Just because I don't use chemi oil and wrap my hair at night does not mean
That's right.
I'm not natural
And
hair,
your
my
beard is
sisters.
natural. And your
My
beard
beard
is
is natural. All
You know
right?
what I'm saying?
Brown skin.
That's right.
All right?
I will have you know, Dinas is up here using only natural oils on his epidermal.
India Ari, why didn't you mention me?
You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yeah, 5/5. Shout out, Unique JG was also there.
Okay. Shout-
Eunice. I
shout-
didn't,
shout out to all of them.
didn't want to shout anyone out who did not, you know. And it was cool. They were talking about what it was like being black on Twitter. Shit's
Okay.
lit.
That's
You know what I'm
hot.
saying? Apparently, people think black Twitter is just like this big happy family.
Oh, no.
People don't realize
No,
like
no. It's like
different
a real
parts-
family.
It's a real family. People, different parts of black Twitter hate different parts of black Twitter.
absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Like not even on some like I don't fuck with them, but on some like Amor de Rey is death on sight.
Oh, yeah.
That kind of shit.
Yeah, yeah.
So you know,
Yo, you got a shea butter hotep beef going? Boy.
boy, if you don't.
Oh, man.
But and that's the thing, shea butter. Well, there's nothing wrong with shea butter. I love the smell. Who doesn't like shea butter?
Shea butter's great.
But it's become like a connotation for a certain type of woman with natural hair.
Yeah.
And then you have Hotep Twitter, which is like the connotation for anyone who has an ankh in their
Yeah.
bio.
Yeah.
And in 2 tweets can go from, hey, it's a sunshiny day. Did you know sunshine and vitamin C cause the children to be homosexuals?
Did you know that the black man is being feminized by television and books?
Let me ask you this question. Why are all these black athletes, why are they trying to win championships? To win rings. Rings are for brides.
Feminization of the black man. And they have like this big convention hosted by Lil Jamar. Oh shit.
Oh, full circle.
Yeah.
Damn, that was our first episode, right?
Yeah.
The first time we got into the beef with Lord Jamar.
Yo, that was wild.
That was wild.
That was
wild. Wow.
Shout out to him. I hope that nigga don't break a hip or nothing. Hurt himself. He's sitting on Vlad's couch too much.
Oh man, he still has the show. Shout out to him. Shout out to Lord Jamar.
Shout out to Lord Jamar.
Shout out to Lord Jamar and ISIS. We're here for everybody.
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 The whole gang.
We're gender fluid for everything. Shout out to Bernie Sanders. Has Bernie Sanders won you over? Are you feeling the burn?
I'm feeling the burn a little bit. You know what's crazy? Bernie Sanders reminds me, because I am married to a Jewish woman,
Yes.
reminds me of like her uncles. You know what I'm saying?
That's
Which
what
is
you
like
said about Jeff Goldblum.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Like Jewish old guys. You know what I'm saying? Like old Jewish guys. So he kind of reminds me of that, but like more old. And that's the kind of kills me. Like I feel like his posture is what kills me. Man.
Yeah.
Like that nigga needs to get in one of them like athletic back braces that make you stand the man straight. You know what I'm saying? So that he could be like, yo, say it with your chest. You know what I mean? And he could just be out there like, yo, shalom, my niggas. You know what I'm saying? But with his chest out. You know what I'm saying? Like, But I fuck with the policies heavy.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. Definitely fuck with the policies heavy. Just like
I'm very excited.
You to step the chest out. Also, our whole gang is rocking with him. You know what I'm saying? Shout to Ezra, shout to Nick, the whole gang.
Man.
Feeling burn,
bang,
you know
bang.
what I'm saying?
You know, I'm very interested to see what Hillary pulls out this week. I feel like, listen, Hillary's gonna try to get that black vote somehow.
She's coming out with an HBCU marching band.
It's gonna be
doing March Madness and hitting the Chris Brown front flip.
Oh, that shit's gonna be lit.
Straight into the dab.
She's gonna be like, I'm Hillary Clinton, but before I say some words, here's some words from my friend.
Bump.
Silento. Silento.
Bump.
Silento. Silento.
Oh, shit. Nigga does a wild triple backflip onto the stage and shit. She brings Trey Songz out. Trey Songz like dry humps on stage and shit. Like she's going
Which
full.
one of y'all gonna vote for Hillary? She's just gonna have everyone out there. Azalea Banks voguing.
Oh man, everything.
You know how sick it's gonna be the first time Hillary does the the formation video? She does the dance step from it.
Yo,
with
what
her
are
advisors?
What was the people who were doing? Damn, it was like some like.
Come on, I believe in
fuck.
you. I believe in you.
I think it was like TLC. It was like a cheerleading, like gay cheerleading team or some shit like that in like Atlanta.
Oh,
Hillary's gonna pander. I feel like she's gonna pander to that level where she's gonna even go fuck with them and really get on some like official.
The prancing elites.
The prancing. She's
gonna be on Meet the Prancing Elites.
She's gonna get the prancing elites.
Are we gonna see Hillary shaking her cheeks with Big Frida?
Yo, she's going all the way.
Big Frida, baby.
She's going all the way.
Big Frida, baby.
She's
I'm
like,
here with Hillary
what?
Clinton. Hillary Clinton showing you how the big girls get down in the South. All right, okay.
Yo, I swear to God. Yo, you think Hillary's like, oh, you motherfuckers think I'm playing?
You think that's right?
Oh, you think it's a game?
Oh, you think you can hit the Quan like me?
Yo.
Yeah, voodoo shake like me?
Oh my God.
Oh, she wants that.
She's gonna there's gonna be a vine of like black people amping her up to do some shit.
Yeah.
Like she just starts to do
Go
some shit.
Hill,
Like,
go Hill. She just go,
oh man.
damn. That's so sad. That's what
Go
it takes.
Hill.
That's what it takes. Get
Go
light,
Hill.
Hillary. Get light, Hillary. Go ride on. No, that's a shame. That's what it takes to be like president now. You just got cooning it up.
You just gotta get light.
Listen, we come full circle. It's gone from black people cooning for white people. Now white people are cooning for black people.
Yo, listen,
this is reparations.
Niggas want reparations.
Dance, cracker, dance, cracker, dance. And then Bernie Sanders gotta match it. Bernie Sanders gonna come out. Bernie Sanders gonna come out with that ill verse on Future's next mixtape over in her mouth. Oh man. Oh man. First time Bernie Sanders is like, I chose the dirty over you. What are we gonna do? What are we as a people gonna do?
Yo.
Just come out dissing Sierra.
I chose the dirty over you. Shout out to Bernie.
Oh, no, I'm not scared to use you. This is Future. I just want to say Bernie Sanders is sensational.
Sensational.
Oh, man.
That's how breathy that was.
That was really. Shout out to Future for looking like Meryl Streep.
Sensational. Yo, you know what I hate? Seeing memes like that for the first time when
That ruin it for you.
When I'm in that 20-minute, because when I smoke weed, my nigga, there's 20 minutes where I'm like, I am fucking high.
Right.
Then the rest of that time is like, yeah, I'm high. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm high. Yo, let's go get something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Let's chill. But those first 20 minutes, it's like,
Oh, I know.
you know what I'm saying?
That first 20, that's when like you could either do that nod out and you kind of drool, or you gotta sit there because the voice is like, kill 3 people. And you're just like, all right, I'm gonna wait. This is gonna pass. Pick up that knife, Jesus.
Do it. That's when I have my terror dreams. Yo, because, and this is what happened.
Not funny. You're going back to
You're
work.
terrible.
They can see through you. Billy Joel is fucking your wife
right now.
Uptown girl.
Literally. I'm like, no. Yo, that's when I have my fucking, because I read that story. This is when I was working at the school too.
Right.
I read that story about that dude in Connecticut who the 2 crackheads broke into his crib.
Right.
Tied up
The
and raped his whole family.
The home invasion thing, yeah.
Lit them on fire, smashed his wig with a club, raped his wife, all that. I was like, yo, and I read that right when I was like,
I was high state?
I was like, dog, this is gonna happen to my family. This is gonna happen to my family. This is gonna happen. So now every time I get high, I can't think about that, or else the entire 20 minutes is me thinking about that and me going back to my yo, I gotta get the shotgun out the closet and kill everybody. Let's come to my crib. I'm shooting a UPS guy. It's just gonna be terrible. That's how that might be the true Hollywood story, my nigga. They're gonna be asking you about when you got the math and mustache.
I feel like because I was watching the OJ versus the People thing.
Yeah,
shout to Al Collins.
Yeah.
Because OJ was like, yo, I am on the run for a double homicide. You got me.
Yeah.
And Al Collins was like, yo, Uber has not been invented yet, but I got you.
Yo.
And they went on the wildest Uber ride. So I feel like there are very few things you could call me with, and I'd be like, nah, I'm good. Like, if you called me, it was, I hope it's mutual.
That's what friends are for. Absolutely.
If you were like, yo,
come on,
I caught the double homie, I'm like, you're going to have to explain it in the car.
You can say the same thing, and I pull up, and you be like, why are your kids in the car? I'd be like, yo,
I had to watch them.
Heather's getting them pedicure.
Happens. Like, we're burying the body. We're like, earmuffs, kids. You don't see anything.
Here, take Uncle Desus' phone and go on YouTube.
What are you guys doing with those bodies? We're playing hide and seek. Go back in the car.
Go back in the car. Go.
Oh.
There's no Wi-Fi out here, Dad. Just play Candy Crush.
Yeah. And then when it's done, we'd be like patting the grades down. We get the fucking call from Philippe Dumont. He's like, is it done?
Hey guys, is it done?
Is it done?
Are you guys done with that?
Shout to my shooters. BXOD.
Shout to Philippe. Yo, that guy could literally lend us $2 million each and it would be nothing for him.
It'd be fucking He could.
Why don't people do that? Why don't people listen to us and be like, yo, those guys are mad cool. Let me just give them $1 million each so they can flourish.
If you were worth $80 million and some guy on the train was like, yo, I'm mad funny, give me $2 million.
I'd be like, yo, prove it.
Would you have time for that? You gonna go on YouTube? No.
I mean,
he lives in a different world than us, man.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Ask him.
Somebody asked me that about John McCain when John McCain was running for president.
Yeah.
They were like, yo, why don't you fuck with John McCain? I'm like, yo, because that nigga's rich. Yeah. I'm not rich.
Yeah.
Fuck John McCain.
You think Philippe Dumont has ever flown JetBlue?
Never. He's flown a jet that's blue.
Go talk to him about going through TSA. And he's gonna do that white guy nervous chuckle like one of my handlers get this poor person away from me. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, he'll do the thing like he knows about it, like 40-year-old virgin shit. Like, yeah. I hate when they grab your your nipple, right? When they do the nipple, when they
make you take off your hats, right? Nah, they live different worlds. Yeah, so he ain't giving you no $1 million.
Damn, man, that's so sad.
That's why we gotta duct tape him next time he's a 15-15. I'm kidding. Just kidding, Philippe. I feel like Philippe will run up on me with the burner like Tupac did a Juice. Like,
oh, man. You get in the elevator, Philippe's in there, you're just
like, yo, got your little jokes on your podcast.
I like how you're doing the French thing, and he's definitely not even...
He's French.
But he sounds like a weird... He just sounds like a nasally guy.
That's how French people sound.
Oh, that's
It's a mix between that voice and the...
Hey, oui,
wah, wah. World War II? No, America, you can fight for us.
You got this shit there. It's okay. My niggas is on Normandy.
I am over here. I'm going to smoke cigarettes.
Speaking of those 20 minutes of being wild high, I spent those other 20 minutes of being wild high watching the storming of the beach scene of Saving Private Ryan.
Right.
Incredible cinematic.
You know what? People were like, that's when men were men. And I'm like, no.
Nah, fuck that.
No, because if you were a man...
Tremont's more dangerous than Normandy. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Growing up in the Bronx is more dangerous than Normandy. We'll put that out there. Jesus Hot Take Fuego and my man Curve Gotti. All right?
Bloop.
Also, if my boat is pulling up on the coast of Normandy and I'm seeing mad people get blown up, guess who's staying on the boat?
Guess who's getting off the boat and going under the boat?
You know what?
And not getting hit by no bullets.
Guess who's about to shoot a remake of The Love Boat? Okay, it's gonna be me and a hand grenade. All right?
Guess who's somehow getting a boogie board out of nowhere and just paddling back onto the beach like, I'm out of here.
People are like, oh, my grandfather was in Normandy and now he just sits in the basement muttering. Yeah, that's called post-traumatic stress disorder.
Yes.
All right, there's nothing proud about that.
Yes.
That's just not right.
That's just not right.
Shout out to all the veterans who go and fight for this country and come back and like we have no medical center for them.
Oh, yeah.
It's just, you know.
No, you're good.
You assassinated Saddam Hussein, and now you can't even get like a fucking rubella vaccination.
What are those dudes doing? I feel like if you, like, this is what you got to do, my nigga. If you join the army, this is the army plan. You know what I'm saying? By your boy, Human Durag. Army plan.
Who's never been in an army?
Who's never been in an army? But I know I be seeing mad movies.
All right.
So when you join the army, go through some wild shit, and while you're going through that wild shit, take your phone and do notepad. Remember how I was saying like I always forget shit?
Mm-hmm.
Take your phone, make a notepad of all your harrowing experience, and then sell that shit as a screenplay because that's the only way you get money when you come back.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's what's called a OPSEC violation.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh shit!
Yeah, you can't do that. They
Look at fucking Lieutenant Desus over here. Like,
OPEC. It's like
yeah.
no, like just
he said OPEC violation. I was like, is that the statue from Legends of the Hidden Temple?
No. You know, because like they put out warning. Like if you have a family in the military
Right.
and stuff, like you can't go on Twitter and be like, "Yo, my husband is stationed in the Persian Gulf," like that kind of shit.
Oh.
So you're not allowed to tell anything you did, anything you saw, anywhere you were. So the problem is you come back from being in the army, the Navy, whatever, and you can't put any of that on your resume.
What?
So now
I can't be like, yo, I blew 30 niggas' heads off?
Nope.
Wow.
It's now you see the problem. People don't realize this. This is my former job that I hated. This was like a big problem we have. Because veterans come back and like they have these great performances that they've done in the army and stuff. They got these certifications and these don't translate to real life. Or even worse, your certifications in the armies are redacted and you're not even allowed to use them.
Oh, no.
So now you look like Joe Schmo who hasn't had a job for 5 years. Meanwhile you were doing like black ops over here in Yemen, like deprogramming
Niggas type his resume. He's like, speaks fluent English, Spanish, once put together a helicopter while being shot by a drone. I can't put that in there? That sucks.
See how that sucks?
Damn.
That's how America treats you. So next time you hear your favorite politician say boots on the ground, remember that's a real person.
I mean,
you know,
I said boots on the
ground. You can say boots on the ground. That shit sounds great. That just sounds like just
boots on the ground. Boots on the ground. Looking like a fool with your boots on the ground.
That sounds like just a bunch of Timberlands on a battlefield, but that's actual people.
Boots on the ground is like the name of a Black Moon album, isn't it?
Boots on the ground.
Timberland.
Either that or a mad fire Pinot porn from like the 90s.
Oh man,
with fucking Ebony Eris and Jenny Pepper.
Jenny Pepper. Shout to Pinot. We always
go back to K2 Pinot. Mero's family.
Yeah.
ISIS. Prison. ISIS. Credit card scamming.
That's true. Shout to the scammers.
Shout to scammers. Shout to scammers gonna flex on their girl this weekend.
What are the scammers doing now though, dog? I feel like the hoverboard wave.
Oh no!
Has crested.
This new shit, man.
What are scammers on?
The new scammer shit is you buy a Nike gift card and you flip it.
Oh.
See? That's
okay.
The thing. You buy it for low, sell it for high. You keep doing that. And the thing is, you can buy bootleg Nike gift cards and sell them.
How do you? So you buy? Wait. So you don't buy the shit. Oh, you buy the shit with a fake credit card.
You could, yeah.
And then okay, cool.
And you transfer it, and then you get actual money for it.
Oh.
Allegedly. You didn't hear that from me.
Allegedly.
You did not hear that from me. Or you break into people's mail.
Okay.
You steal their identity and you file their income tax.
Shout out to the dude who, I feel like I said this before, stole my identity and got like wrist surgery.
Yeah. No, this is a new thing. You break into people's mail, especially down in Florida. Shout out my scammers down there and kissing me. You steal people's identity and you fill out their taxes and you file their taxes under a different address. The thing is, on the taxes you get the tax return on a prepaid card. Now you have the green dot card.
Green dot.
And now you got their thing on the green dot.
Ooh.
So yeah. So then when you file and they're like, "Hey guy, you already filed." You're like, what?
Oh, I did it. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
I claimed every possible thing. I'm like, I didn't never file my taxes. I'm like, yes, you did. And you claimed fucking handicap thing and left-handedness and I got 12 kids. And I'm like, dog, I don't have any of this. I don't.
And they're like, too late. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Thanks for calling the IRS.
Why?
Just,
Why? Oh, why? But you know what's crazy? My debit card does not get shut down nearly as much as yours. Every time we go OT, he's like, yo, at some point, he's in the elevator in the hotel having an angry conversation with his bank.
You know what it is? I don't respect banks. Banks are stupid. Like, why should I pay someone to take care of my own money? What fucking sense does that make? I wish we could go back to 1985 drug dealer days where we just kept money in Nike shoeboxes under the bed
Shout to Migos.
next to their Carefree Curl.
That's right. Shout out to Migos, shout out to 2 Chainz, shout out to everybody that came on our Redacted and showed us how much money they had on them.
Yeah, shout out to them. So fuck banks. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck banks.
If this podcast shit don't work, I might have to run up in the bank.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? That's why they
That's the chopper.
Listen, for some of y'all do the heist in GTA 5 for fun. I do that for practice.
For life. For life.
Okay? Don't make me reenact Dog Day Afternoon in this bitch.
Yo, that's crazy. That's a crazy movie. People that don't know about the movie, go watch that movie. It's a wild movie.
That's why
and also for the time that it was. You know
Also,
what I'm
remember,
saying?
dude was like, he stuck out the bank because he was trying to get money so his lover could have the sex change.
Exactly. That whole
Forget
thing.
about that. So all these rappers talk about, I'll turn into Dog Day Afternoon. It's like, yo, how close to the script are you sticking?
So, are you? So you're flying to Thailand after this? Is what you're saying? Is that what's happening?
Yeah.
Shout out to Thailand. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out.
No biggie. No MBD. You know what I'm saying? Just shouts out.
Shout out to Thailand.
Shout out to Thailand.
Yo, shout out to the kid I flamed on Twitter. I called him a Mexican panini.
Yo,
He
yeah.
wanted to shout out. This is shout out scumbag.
Yeah. Fucking worm.
Fucking worm.
Don't ever come in the mentions. But you know what? I feel like now that we say that, people want to come in the mentions and just be a troll.
I'm
Because some
ignoring
dude went on Instagram and was like, yo, your wife this, that, the third. And I was
Yeah, I
like,
deleted him right away. Because you know what? Fuck that. That's not how you get your mentions.
Yeah, nah.
This is what you get your mentions. You get these last couple of minutes of this art because we're about to close it down because you're not a factor.
Yeah.
Appreciate the art, but don't disrespect the art.
Come on.
And stop being stupid and putting emojis in our Instagram like the same day the art drops. Come on.
It's the
That's
same.
lame,
We just-
dog.
niggas just put it out.
Come on, that's lame, dog.
Just put it out.
You're being a lame guy.
Hey.
All right? That's your instruction from your boy. Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Chris Statsport Sling Dick.
You know what I'm saying? And me, a.k.a. Poppy.
Yeah, you should just go by Poppy for now.
But
It's Poppy.
I mean, I got kids. I was just thinking about before how it would be kind of cute. Like, it would be like a cool Disney movie if me and my kids robbed the bank. You know what I'm saying?
No,
It wouldn't be cute.
that wouldn't be cute.
And one of them gets shot and it's like, yo, just leave me. Like the 2-year-old, like, yo, fuck it, my nigga, just go. Just go.
You said Disney?
Yeah.
What did you mean like Disney?
Disney gotta expand it, like, push the envelope.
DISNINEE in the shot in Throgs Nigga Project? So direct a video shit?
Directed by a nigga that doesn't have a real name, like fucking Spliff Gang TV films.
Like your wife is the wild booty model for no reason. Just walk around the house in lingerie.
Like, why are you wearing lingerie?
Got
Just
your
like,
kids
yeah, make a
cooking up
French
bricks
toast.
and shit. You know, whatever.
Yo, but imagine how fly. Yo, if
We're gonna do a remake. Honey, I Shot the Kids.
Yeah.
There you go.
No,
Honey, I Shot the
listen.
Kids.
If you're interested, our schedules are pretty open. You know what I'm saying? Holla at us. You know what I'm saying? We'll do that scene.
Yeah, we'll do it.
You know what I
Pause.
mean? These is in there. Like, you know what I'm saying? He's in there. I'm in there.
I'm like
my
the
sons
Uncle
is in
Joey
there.
to the whole
shit, you know what
Mero's
I mean?
kids thing. Shout out to Uncle Joey. He's lived in the house, never molested those girls.
Ooh, even though he did mad molestory shit, like that
He-
whole bullwinkle.
You know what? The whole time you were
Ooh.
waiting.
Yeah.
You were just
Some.
waiting to be like, Joey.
Yeah.
And
Cut
he's-
it out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. He did too much of that shit.
He was too
That's
much
like I'm
of
trying
that.
to cover shit up. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? When niggas is like, ooh, I'm doing an alter ego, it's like that's the alter ego I use when I'm fucking
Creepy.
touching you.
He did, yeah.
So you don't freak out when we're at the dinner table. I'm just doing regular Uncle Joey voice. See?
Full house, man. There's
You know
some
what I'm
dark shit
saying?
going on.
Some
There's
dark
a
shit
full
going
house
on there.
porn, and I watched some fucked up porn. I cannot watch.
I can't.
I
I
can't do
won't
it.
do that.
Even though I heard Kimmy Gibbler got the wild scene.
Hey.
But whatever. Live from Red
Kimmy
Bull
Gibbler.
Studios. Yes, she's gibbling.
Just gibbling.
220 West 18th Street.
That's right. Follow them on all social media at RB Studios NY.
Shout out to Bill.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys, the #1 art form of the century.
That's right.
We out, you cowards.
Fucking jerks.
Later.
Peace.